Hello, hello, girls and boys. How's it going? Good. So let's see. I see a lot of questions here already. ये कहाँ से है? Okay. Oh, this is from 1 hour ago. Timing कुछ गलत हुआ क्या? Okay. Anyways, so where all are folks logging in from? Let's have a quick thing. Right? कहाँ से log in कर रहे हो यार बताओ? हार्डी देव, नमस्ते सर जी, नमस्ते जी, क्या हाल चाल? Just tell me where are you guys logging in from? Okay. Rhythm vibes. Hi, sir. Hi, Rhythm. How's your vibes today? उत्तराखंड से? अरे सही है यार. कहाँ पे उत्तराखंड में? थोड़ा बताओ. कोयम्बटूर. शोभन. हाय शोभन. वेरी गुड. चंडीगढ़ से. अरे एरिक. ओके. जसप्रीत सिंह कलसी. सत श्री अकाल जी. सत श्री अकाल. फैजन. हाय फैजन. Warsaw, he's a permanent resident member. Tamil Nadu. Hello. Kanishka. Kanishka Datta. Bangalore. Hi Kanishka. Ranchi. All right. Who else? Mumbai. Oh, nice. Chennai. SAP. SAP जगह बन गई अब. ये भी सही है. पालघर. पालघर. वेरी गुड. देहरादून. अरे यार देहरादून बहुत सही जगह है. मुझे आना है कभी तो. ओके. अरे यार बहुत सारे कमेंट्स आ गए. Riga, Latvia. Hi Sahil. Good to see you. Itish Tyagi. Are sahi. From Ghaziabad. Hi Itish. Palghar, Maharashtra. AP. Okay. Vanakkam, vanakkam man, vanakkam. Okay. Bukharo Steel Plant. Are sahi. Bihar. Okay. All right. Okay. So let me put in the StreamYard link to join the stream. Okay. Here is the link to join the stream. You guys know the rules. I don't usually take any questions from the chat. If you want to join in, then you click on this link, join the StreamYard, switch on your camera, and we talk. Okay? All right. Let's get going. Start joining the live, and then we'll talk. Varanasi. I just passed my 12th. अरे यार सही है. ठीक है, आ जाओ भाई. Keep joining in. Okay.
Hello, sir.
Hello. Okay, let's a couple of more people join in and then we'll get started.
Sure.
Okay. All right, Vikas, go ahead, please.
Yeah, hi, Savinder, sir. My name is Vishwas. I am from Pune. Just recently joined the PCS and started my career in IT.
Don't
And
give the names, Vikas. No names, not required.
okay.
Okay.
So I am here to ask you one simple question, sir. What will you advise to a fresher in IT in current market situations?
What is my advice to a fresher? So you've just passed out. This
Yeah.
is your first job.
Yeah, this is my first job.
Stop watching extra YouTube videos
Okay.
and don't worry about anything. Forget about the market. Market is not your problem right now. It doesn't matter
Okay.
what the market is. It's your first job. Do the best that you can in this job and be the best one in the team that you've been assigned to.
Sure, sir.
Right? And stop watching videos and stop worrying about AI, this, that, and everything else. Doesn't matter to you. That's not
Yeah,
your
yeah.
problem.
That's the elephant in the room. On
That's
every platform, wherever I go, watch any kind of video, there is a kind of AI will take your jobs. There will be no jobs in future. So,
fine.
fresher like me, think like if there will be a no job, then why are we doing this kind of stuff, or why are we in IT? Why we have started our career, and how it will go in the future?
I will repeat what I said. Stop watching those videos. They don't matter to you. There is no elephant in the room. I have made the
Okay,
elephant disappear. If you ask me the question, then believe me, AI
sure,
is
sir.
not your problem right now. Your problem is you've just come out of college. This is your first job. Be the best in this job in the next 3 to 4 months. That's your only
Okay.
focus, right? Forget about everything else. वो सब वीडियो देखने बंद कर दो, कोई फायदा नहीं है, खाली डिप्रेशन में जाओगे. अपना काम करो ढंग से. That's it. Nothing else matters for you. Right? दो ही तरीके हैं. या तो फोकस लगा के काम कर लो एंड बिकम द बेस्ट इन योर टीम,
Mhm.
और गेट वरीड एंड क्विट आईटी एंड जाके खेती कर लो.
Second
Right?
option is not possible.
Exactly my point. So then let's not worry unnecessarily. Do what you're supposed to do the work. Put blinders on, focus, and do what you're supposed to do. AI will not touch you right now. You have a job already. Make sure you keep
Yes.
it. That's it. Simple as that. Okay?
Thank you, sir.
Okay. All right. Mr. Rhythm Vibes, are you
Okay.
there?
Yes, sir.
All right. Mr. Rhythm Vibes,
Right.
are you there?
Sir. Good
Yes,
evening,
sir.
sir.
All right. Mr. Rhythm Vibes, are you there?
Sir. Good
Yes,
evening,
sir.
sir. Actually,
Mr.
I
Rhythm,
just finished my 12th, and I am feeling so stuck. Like I have some questions regarding that.
hmm, what's the question?
So actually, I want to try something online. Like what I'm feeling very stuck. What skill should I develop? Like I'm not a I'm non-tech student. Like from commerce stream.
Commerce stream. What are you
Yes.
doing here? क्या आपका क्वेश्चन क्या है? आपका नाम क्या है? नाम तो बताओ.
Hello.
हाँ, नाम तो बता दे. किसी भाई बहन का ही
Sir,
बता दे. रिदम तो से तो बेटर बता. अरे बोल भाई. किधर चला गया? म्यूट कर दिया तूने. कॉमर्स बैकग्राउंड से तू यहाँ क्या कर रहा है यार? रिदम भाई किधर गया रे रिदम? हेलो हेलो. रिदम, बेटा रिदम किधर गया? अबे गया रिदम. ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. ओके. मोहम्मद साहल, नमस्कार गुरुजी. क्या हाल चाल? बढ़िया.
Yeah, hi.
नमस्कार गुरुजी.
प्रणाम।
चल चल
एकदम बढ़िया।
नमस्कार गुरुजी।
प्रणाम।
चल चल
एकदम बढ़िया।
नमस्कार गुरुजी।
प्रणाम।
चल चल
एकदम बढ़िया।
Okay, Mohammed, go ahead, please. Mohammed, can you hear me?
Yeah. Hi,
Hanji.
sir. I wanted to ask you one question. First of all,
Mohammed, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Can you hear me? Yeah. Hi,
Hanji.
sir. I wanted to ask you one question. First of all,
Mohammed, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Can you hear me? Yeah. Hi,
Hanji.
sir. I wanted to ask you one question.
Yeah,
First
I
of all,
think it's Mohammed, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Can you hear me? Yeah. Hi,
Hanji.
sir. I wanted.
Okay, let's try again. कुछ तो गड़बड़ है.
Yeah, am I audible right now?
Yes, perfect. Okay, let's try again.
Yeah, sure.
कुछ तो गड़बड़ है.
हाँ, कुछ तो हो रहा है. Yeah, am I audible right now?
Yes, perfect. Okay, let's try again.
Yeah, sure.
कुछ तो गड़बड़ है.
हाँ, कुछ तो हो रहा है. Yeah, am I audible right now?
Yes, perfect. Okay, let's try again.
Yeah, sure.
कुछ तो गड़बड़ है.
हाँ, yeah, am I audible?
Savinder, I think somebody has opened YouTube and also StreamYard. They need to close their YouTube.
But everybody else is muted here, यार. देखो अभी ठीक है.
हो सकता है तुम्हारा हो, तुमने YouTube भी खोल के रखा है क्या?
नहीं, नहीं, I directly logged in.
हो सकता है तुम्हारा हो, तुमने YouTube भी खोल के रखा है क्या?
नहीं.
I think मोहम्मद साहब का
directly
प्रॉब्लम है.
logged in.
मोहम्मद ने दो जगह खोल दिया. तुमने YouTube.
Okay, अभी आप अनम्यूट करो, गुरु.
Hello, testing 1 2 3.
Okay, looks okay.
Yeah. Hello, testing 1 2 3. मोहम्मद का प्रॉब्लम है.
अरे पर वो तो म्यूट है अभी.
नहीं, उसने अभी अनम्यूट
किया
किया था तो उसको प्रॉब्लम आ रहा था.
Okay, Mohammed, stay like that for a minute. Vicky, can you unmute yourself? Let's try.
Hello, sir. First of all, thank you so much for giving your time
Yeah.
Okay, go
and
ahead.
effort for us.
मोहम्मद
Actually,
चेक करो, एक सेकंड विकी. मोहम्मद तब तक चेक करो आपका YouTube कहीं खुला हुआ है किसी फोन पे या कुछ तो हो रहा है. एक बार चेक कर लो. आफ्टर दिस आई विल कम टू यू. हाँ जी, बोलिए विकी.
sir. So actually, I have around 9 years of experience, 9 years, 1 month around. So I have spent 6 years in TCS, and later I have switched to Capgemini, and from last 3 years I am working.
Don't
Capgemini.
take company names.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Sorry, I'm not aware of that. Okay, so
Public
I have been. Okay.
Okay, go ahead.
So,
Go ahead.
So from past 5 years, more than 5 years, I have been working as a DevOps engineer, as well as I worked on Azure migration also. So I know GitHub Action, Azure DevOps, CI/CD pipeline, Terraform, and Bicep. This thing which I know, I can write a script in Bicep and Terraform to deploy the Azure resources through CI/CD pipeline. In Azure DevOps or GitHub Action, anything will work. Even any other CI/CD, I can set up the pipeline. And Azure Migrate, I also work. But I want to make a career switch where I will get a chance to work in a serious DevOps environment like Kubernetes, Ansible, Docker, PowerShell scripting. So how could I prepare myself on those technology, because I am not getting chance on project level work on those technology. So how could I prepare myself on those technology? So if I get selected or crack interview, first I need to crack interview on those technology. So I will be able to crack interview on those technology, and later when I will join that company, it will not be overwhelming for me. So I must have that capability
So
before
tell me one
switching.
technology that you want to learn.
Kubernetes, Docker, Ansible, these
बस
three mainly. These three mainly.
रुक जा. What is stopping you from practicing Kubernetes, Docker, and Ansible on your machine and taking an, let's say, an AWS account and practicing? What is stopping you?
Uh, uh, the main obstacle which I am getting, that I don't know which project I should choose. Means what
Forget
unpractical.
project. That is later. What I'm asking is, do you know what is Kubernetes today?
Yes.
Can you spin up clusters using Kubernetes?
Cluster. No, I did not do that. I did not set up the cluster.
Do you know Azure well, right? You have
Yes.
some experience in Azure. Have you used AKS, Azure Kubernetes Service?
No.
Why not? Is there a reason?
I
So,
don't know how to start. How to start those things.
can you Google it?
Yes, I can.
तो शुरू करो, कोर्स कर लो, कोई चैट जीपीटी पूछ लो, कुछ तो करो, शुरू तो करो। क्वेश्चन क्या, मुझे समझ में नहीं आया। आप कोई महान प्रोजेक्ट की वेट कर रहे हो क्या?
नहीं नहीं, मेरे को मतलब प्रोजेक्ट लेवल जैसे इम्प्लीमेंटेशन हम लोग करते हैं ना, जैसे कि टेराफॉर्म में मेरे को बोला गया कि ऐप सर्विस डिप्लॉय करो, तो मैं टेराफॉर्म में कोड कर रहा हूँ ऐप सर्विस का,
करेक्ट,
और उसके बाद CI/CD पाइपलाइन सेटअप करके उसको डिप्लॉय कर दिया।
ठीक है।
लेकिन क्यूबरनेटीज में मैं थ्योरी पढ़ा कि क्यूबरनेटीज पॉड क्या होता है, अब क्यूबरनेटीज का आर्किटेक्चर क्या होता है, पॉड
करेक्ट,
को, कंटेनर को पॉड में कैसे कन्वर्ट करके डिप्लॉय किया जाता है।
वो पढ़
लेकिन मैं
लिया। अब
करूं क्या,
देख लो,
प्रैक्टिकल क्या करूं?
वही तो कह रहा हूँ, जो पढ़ा है उसको प्रैक्टिकली करके भी देखो ना। आपने पढ़ लिया पॉड क्या होता है, कंटेनर को कैसे डिप्लॉय करते हैं पॉड में, पढ़ लिया। अब उसी चीज को कर लो, एक कंटेनर बना लो छोटा सा, अज्योर आता है, अज्योर में AKS ले लो, उसमें डिप्लॉय करो। कंफ्यूजन क्या है? वही चीज करनी है ना जो पढ़ा है, बाकी कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी बाद में आ जाएंगे, पहले उतना तो कर लो। और वो जो मशीन्स हैं टेराफॉर्म से बना लो, उसके कॉन्फ़िगरेशंस एंसिबल से सेटअप कर लो, उसके ऊपर कुबरनेटिस सेटअप कर लो। थ्योरी पढ़ ली ना?
थ्योरी क्यूबरनेटीज और डॉकर का पढ़ा हूँ, एंसिबल का थोड़ा।
डॉकर कंटेनर बनाना आ गया, कैसे बनाते?
हाँ, डॉकर कंटेनर बनाना आ गया।
मशीन पे बनाया डॉकर कंटेनर, आपके डब्बे
हाँ,
पे डॉकर इंस्टॉल किया,
हाँ, हाँ, डॉकर इंस्टॉल किया,
ठीक है, डॉकर इमेज बन गया।
डॉकर इमेज बन गया।
अभी इसके पाइपलाइन से बना लो डॉकर इमेज, उसको डॉकर रजिस्ट्री में डाल दो, फिर
डॉकर
वहां से
रजिस्ट्री में
आके
ये सब किया हुआ।
कुबरनेटिस पे डाल दो, EKS पे डाल दो। पहले सेटअप नहीं करना तो इजी रखना है तो उधर डाल दो। आंसर मिला आपको कि नहीं अभी तक?
ये सारी चीजें जो मैं पढ़ रहा हूँ सर, ठीक है, उसको मैं हैंड्स ऑन मतलब करना स्टार्ट कर दूंगा आज ही कल से। मैं लास्ट कुछ दिनों से पढ़ रहा हूँ, और मतलब मैं जो प्रिपेयर कर रहा हूँ वो एक्चुअली तो मैं इंटरव्यू क्रैक करने के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहा हूँ, तो वो इंटरव्यू रेलिवेंट है कि नहीं है, कैसे मैं प्रिपेयर करूँ कि मैं इंटरव्यू रेलिवेंट और प्रोजेक्ट लेवल रेलिवेंट रह के मैं अपना प्रिपरेशन करूँ, ताकि मेरा इंटरव्यू क्रैक करने में भी मतलब मुझे हेल्प हो, और कोई प्रोजेक्ट में भी मैं डिप्लॉय हूँ तो मेरे लिए ओवरवेलमिंग ना हो वो सिचुएशन कि मैं तो थ्योरी वगैरह पढ़ के क्रैक कर दिया और वहां पे जाके पैनिक कर रहा हूँ।
थ्योरी पढ़ के तो क्रैक होगा भी नहीं मेरे भाई, आज के दिन। आज से 3 साल पहले हो जाता शायद, आज तो हो ना पाएगा थ्योरी पढ़ के, आई कैन गारंटी। दुनिया आगे निकल गई है। गुरु, डू यू वांट टू ऐड एनीथिंग हियर?
ओके, विक्की, आपके पास आपका जो लैपटॉप है उसका कॉन्फ़िगरेशन क्या है?
ये Ryzen 7 है और 16 GB रैम है।
गुड, उसमें WSL इंस्टॉल्ड है?
WSL है।
हाँ, गुड। एक प्रोजेक्ट का नाम है K0S करके,
अच्छा,
गूगल कर लो।
K0S।
हाँ, K0S है। इट इज द सिंपलेस्ट वे टू इंस्टॉल अ कुबरनेटिस क्लस्टर। एक बाइनरी है सिर्फ, WSL में इंस्टॉल करो, काम खत्म तुम्हारा। K0S, या हाँ एग्जैक्टली,
एकदम टॉप पे ही
उसमें
है।
करो, एक कुबरनेटिस क्लस्टर आ जाएगा, ठीक है। उसमें बैठ के डिप्लॉयमेंट इंजीनियर्स, टॉमकैट एप्लीकेशन टूल, ये सब इम्प्लीमेंटेशन करो, और वो ही हो गया। उसके बाद यूज अज्योर, और तुमने जो एप्लीकेशन अपने लोकल पे इंस्टॉल किया है उसी को अज्योर में डालो, और देखो कि चल रहा है कि नहीं, उधर चल रहा है कि नहीं, इसमें प्रॉब्लम क्या है, एके स्पेसिफिक क्या करना है, लोड बैलेंसर बन सकता है कि नहीं, ये सब चेक करके बनाओ, तभी आपको मजा आएगा। Then you will understand what are the intricacies. And my suggestion is never learn from an interview perspective. Never learn from a panic perspective. Learn from an outcome perspective. आज मैंने ये सीखा, आज मैंने ये सीखा। आपको मालूम है मैं सविंदर सर से कितनी डांट खाता हूँ? बहुत सारी डांट खाता हूँ। गुरु ये ऐसा क्यों करते हो, वैसा क्यों करते हो? और मैं उनको भी डांटता हूँ, ये ऐसा नहीं करना, वैसा नहीं। डांटता नहीं हूँ, आई मीन we debate. Yeah, the way we think is we never say कि मुझे अच्छे जॉब के लिए प्रिपेयर करना है. No, that's not the point. The point is your knowledge. Once you have the knowledge, no, job will automatically come to you. So K0S is good, and then try to do it in a security way. For example, if your image is public, कोई भी आपका कोड चुरा सकता है, correct? तो उसको सिक्योर वे में सीआई में डाल के कैसे करना है, मगर पासवर्ड लीक नहीं होना चाहिए। इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि डॉक्टर मींस सोर्स कोड में अपना पासवर्ड डाल दिया अज़ूर का क्रेडेंशियल्स, ऐसा मत करना। So you have to find out, and my suggestion is for that, find someone who is very senior who will help you out. There is a good saying, if you want to run fast, do it alone. If you want to go far, do it in a group. Find a person who will help you and create a group with one more person, and be सुबह सुबह जल्दी उठ के काम करो अगर हो सके तो. That will be the only 3 advice I will give. Okay?
Yeah,
Thank you.
Vicky, any answer?
Yes, I have another questions. Could I add on?
फटाफट, we have a lot of people waiting.
ठीक
थोड़ा
है
जल्दी।
सर, मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि मैं जैसे अप्लाई कर रहा हूँ जॉब के लिए, तो लास्ट 15-20 डेज से कर रहा हूँ, लेकिन कॉल काफ़ी कम आ रहा है। तो और एक दो कुछ कॉल्स आए भी हैं, तो वो मेरे को 3 मंथ्स का नोटिस पीरियड बोलता हूँ जैसे ही, तो फिर इग्नोर करने लगते हैं वो। तो एक मेरा क्वेश्चन है, क्या मार्केट सही में कुछ डाउन है? वो तो थोड़ा समझ में आ रहा है, तो ये सही में डाउन है क्या? और अगर है तो 3 महीने का नोटिस पीरियड मतलब कैसे हैंडल करूं, इस चीज को कैसे हैंडल करूं?
देखो विकी, मार्केट डाउन तो है,
डाउन है ना?
लेकिन अगर स्किल सही है तो उस आदमी के लिए कभी मार्केट डाउन नहीं होता।
ओके,
कुछ ना कुछ बंदा कर लेता है, राइट? सही स्किल वाले के लिए कभी मार्केट डाउन नहीं होता। हाँ, 4 ऑफर की जगह आधा मिलेगा, 1 मिलेगा, लेकिन 1 मिलता है, राइट? तो दैट इज द ओनली आंसर आई हैव फॉर यू। गेट टू दैट लेवल जहां पे मार्केट कितना भी डाउन हो आपको जॉब मिल जाएगा, बट वहां तक पहुंचना पड़ेगा, आसान नहीं है। एंड बेसिस ऑफ व्हाट वी हर्ड, अभी आपको थोड़ा सा टाइम लगेगा, थोड़ी मेहनत करो, पहुंच जाओगे। तो पहुंचे, आप भी पहुंच जाओगे, व्हाई नॉट? राइट?
एनी स्पेसिफिक वे सर टू हैंडल ऑफ 3 मंथ्स ऑफ नोटिस पीरियड?
जुगाड़ मारो यार, सब लोग मारते हैं, क्या है उसमें, अभी क्या ही बताऊं मैं। है ना, इधर नहीं बोल सकता हूँ, समझा करो बात को।
ठीक है सर,
ये रिकॉर्डेड है, लाइव है, समझा करो बात।
ओके, थैंक यू सो मच सर फॉर गिविंग योर एफर्ट एंड टाइम।
ऑलराइट मोहम्मद, you okay now? Let's try.
Yeah, I think the show's on my side. I'm sure this should be okay.
Yeah, perfect. Go ahead, please.
Yeah. So I'm a junior right now. I'm moving to my senior year in undergrad. I'm doing computer science right now. My question is that it's pretty cliche, but I want to know, like, as a student, how do I network, especially in the industry I want to get into, like software engineering or AI, with the current changes in the market, like rapid, consequent changes. How do I keep up with the network? How do I meet people and then make them remember me? How do I stand out among when the market is so saturated as of now?
Guru, do you want to take that first?
Okay.
Then I have some thoughts.
Okay, Mohammed, which city are you based out of?
I'm from India, but I'm in USA as of now. In
US.
Tempe.
No,
Yeah.
state or city, please.
Tempe, Arizona.
Okay. Number one, if you are sitting at home and watching videos, you will never network.
Mm-hmm.
Go out, meet people, right? And first is spend some money and create a very niche or cliche driven visiting card, which has barcodes and lots of things. If something you find someone interesting, give them the card and say, "Sir, I don't want to introduce too much and talk too much. This is my card." And show them the card and make them click on their
Mm-hmm.
mobile. It should display everything, all the links and everything. It should come in first. To create that QR doesn't take much time.
Right.
Yeah, and if you have a visiting card, even better. Or just keep it on your mobile and show them the mobile. They can scan your mobile. Done. These
Right.
small things matter. Don't tell them, sir, ये मेरा नंबर है मैं आपको मिस्ड कॉल दूं क्या ये सब बकवास नहीं करना है. It's called elevator pitch.
Right.
Number two is once you share your contact, your LinkedIn profile or your portfolio, it should show your outcome, not how you do it. For example, if I go to Savinder's house and I ask for chicken biryani or Punjabi food, do I really care how his missus or him cooked it? No. I only care about the taste and the quality of food. And if he gives
Right.
me a bit of daru, also good. Yeah, that's what I care. Like that. And let's say if he opens a restaurant, I care only about the food, not how it is cooked, as long as it's cooked in a decent place. That's it. You
Okay.
also have to show that you have learned so much that you can give good outcomes. Once people know that you have given good outcomes come out of good work only.
Right.
It's very simple idea. There is no shortcuts in life. These are the only ways. And then maybe when you go on to LinkedIn, don't try to connect with people who are, no disrespect to them, connect with everybody, but also connect at very senior level like Savinder ji and all,
Right.
who are decision makers. And don't say, sir, I want to connect to get a job. No, that's a crap way of doing. I'm just connecting for saying hello at the minute. I'm in my learning phase. And if I need something, may I ping you? Please let me know what are times are best for you so that I can ping. But I will give you at least 24 hours notice. And if you want me to do it in some other way, please let me know. Thanks and regards, Mohammed Saha. That's it.
That makes sense.
Bhik mat mango.
Right.
If you beg, people will treat you as beggars. These are my fundamentals. That's it. Don't overthink.
Thank you very
So,
much. Yeah.
your turn, please. Thank you.
Perfect. Anything else, Mohammed? Any other question?
Nah, that should be good. Thank you very much.
Thank you, man. Okay. Shashi Sharma. Shashi ji.
Hello, sir. Thank you so much. I'm glad I got the opportunity. So I will try my best to keep my question or message as short as possible and specific as possible. So, sir, first of all, one and most important question I have, sir, will you be my mentor?
Sorry, will you be my mentor?
Yeah.
Okay, what's your next question, sir?
Sir, how can I reach out to you?
So there is something called Topmate. मैं आपको
Okay.
link देता हूँ. I'll put it here.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
If you want one-to-one talk, then you can reach out here and you can book a session with me.
Sorry, where have you pinged it?
एक बार ठीक डाला है मैंने.
In the comment section on YouTube, there is
No,
one.
no, I am off the YouTube. I am only on the StreamYard because since
Okay,
you
there you
said someone else's YouTube is on, I switched off my YouTube.
Okay, there you go.
It's on the-
Topmate.io/Savinder_Puri.
Okay, I'll figure it out.
हाँ
Yeah.
जी, इसका
And
पिक्चर ले लो। हाँ
या नहीं, मैं बाद में ही देखूंगा सर, अभी मैं स्विच नहीं करना चाहता टैग्स वगैरह में।
ठीक है।
और तो सर बहुत सारे यंग लोगों को देख रहा हूँ अभी, इंटरव्यूज एंड इसकी सब बातें चल रही है। सो समवेयर अराउंड मी आल्सो, सो आई एम अराउंड 12 plus years of experience in knowledge management, have led knowledge management initiatives across organization, from size of 100 employees to 8 lakh employees. As you said, no taking names, so I'm not taking any names over here.
Yep.
And also the biggest game show which is currently going on, I was handling the live operations of that also. Only giving hints over here. And for last approximately 2 years, so last year I worked in that game, same time of the year, same month. But I had a health setback, and before that, even I had a very serious health setback. So for approximately 2.5 years, I am not working, and for last more than 6+ months, I have been hunting jobs. Lot of exploration in AI. I have myself built since my beginning of career till now. I am a showrunner person. I'm an ideator, so I guide and I make solutions happen. I am someone who get the work done, be it from a database guy or all the technicians, all the experts as you are, and others are there in the room already. So I have been in talks, but from a business objective point of view. But having said that, I have in last 6-7 months I have also explored and developed few solutions myself, since with the help of the AI, and also tried a few things. Since a lot of people are talking about how do I get the job, I have been applying for so and so. So I don't know. My input is just to maybe inspire everyone that even after 15 years of experience, I am sitting here. I have 200 and plus CVs with me. I have been applied. I don't think there is any door which I have not knocked till date.
What's your
But still,
question? What's your question to me? To us?
so my question, sir, as I said, sir, I wanted your mentorship. And second, yeah, I am not asking any question. I'm just trying to share my experience that you are not alone. No one is alone over here. There are hardships at different levels. So I myself am feeling like a fresher right now. So I have been applying and doing, and there are a lot of young audience for here. So just uh, not trying to steal the show, but my just a point of I would say message will be that understand the JD. The better you understand the JD, the more think be
Okay,
in
if I can
try to be in
interrupt,
the shoes of the
have any
recruiter.
specific questions, you can reach out to me on TopNet. We can connect.
Sure, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, Shoban, go ahead, please. Shoban, you there?
Sir, can you hear me, sir?
Yes, perfect.
Okay, sir. So, sir, can you hear me, sir?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
We can hear
Yeah.
you. Yep.
Continue.
Sir, the audio is getting delayed. The audio is getting delayed, sir.
We can hear you. Go on. Okay. Okay, try reconnecting then. Till then, I'll talk to
Okay,
somebody
sir.
else.
So I am a junior. I am still entering the field in cloud computing related, and I'm at the part where I'm seeking out internships, sir. In my college, the companies are coming, but they're only coming for software engineering related internships. And also, I have applied to like hundreds of jobs on multiple different platforms for cloud computing related internships, and I'm not receiving any response on this. So, how do I land an internship, like a real internship for cloud computing?
Are you in college right now? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. I'm in college. I'm going from third year to fourth year. I'm in the summer holidays.
Okay. So your question is you've tried to get internship, and I'm assuming this is off-campus internship.
Savinder, what he said was
Yes, sir.
campus selections are coming, but they're coming for software roles like developers or other things. He is interested only in cloud.
But cloud is a part of everything else, right? You will not. What do you mean only cloud?
He's interested in cloud and he wants to do internship only in cloud.
Uh,
I don't think so. He's interested in
sir, I
software
mean
development.
like in cloud. I am not a software developer. I don't know DSA and stuff, and I also don't want to work in a software development job. I'm more interested in working in a DevOps or cloud computing related jobs, sir. My long-term career goal is becoming a cloud security engineer. And in the when I come out of college, I'm interested in going to cloud computing engineer, cloud administrator, etc.
So he's looking for only a cloud admin kind of
No, cloud engineer. He
cloud
doesn't
engineer.
want to do. He doesn't want to do application development.
And he's not getting those kind of internships. That's what you're
Yeah,
saying.
he's getting those kind of internship for developers only because his
Yeah, yeah.
college is doing it. Soban, if I was you, get a job first and then you can specialize in one. That would be my serious advice to you. You are lucky enough to get campus selected. There are lots of people who don't
Okay,
even
sir,
get
but okay, sir, I will try that too.
Once you get a job, take 1 or 2 years experience and
Sir,
then move into job.
but trying to get any job. Okay, sir. Sir, I will try. But the problem with software engineering is I'm not able to do DSA, sir. DSA is very hard for me, and also the programming is not one of my. I can do the programming, but not the DSA, and also.
Keep going, keep going. Shobhan,
Yeah.
keep going.
Sir, the software engineering job, I try to do programming. Let's say I'm able to do that, but not I'm not able to do that as a job and like a long term. It's not the. I don't think it's one of my strongest skills.
So, Shobhan, then if you're not getting those kind of internship on campus, then you have to try off campus, right? There is no third way of doing it, right? Have you tried that? Have you tried to reach out to companies off campus and apply for internship?
Yes, sir. I will do off campus. I have been trying that. Yes, sir. I have tried yes, sir. I tried to reach to companies. Tried applying on many different online jobs in several different platforms, LinkedIn, Internshala, Foundin, and several platforms, sir. I am not receiving response on those, sir. That is the problem.
Have you given any interview in the last 1 month for internship?
Yes, sir. I gave one interview to a company. You said they would not mention company name. So the company is a social media marketing related company, and they wanted an intern to manage the cloud computing services related to their clients' websites. And I attended the interview. I got selected. I passed the interview, and everything was fine. But the interview happened right before my exam started. So I asked them if I can start after my exams get over. And my exams are over right now. And they said they go to contact them right now. And I contacted them. They told to apply again. And still now they have not replied for many days, sir.
Okay. And other than that, you haven't had any interviews, right?
No, sir.
So, Shobhan, see, these kind of things happen, right? It's unfortunate, but they happen. Sometimes companies ghost, sometimes something changes at their end, and they don't have that situation, that position available. But if you have only one interview, that's the problem. If you had three, four, then maybe something could have worked out. So it could be an issue with skill, it could be an issue with your profile, it could be an issue with the way your LinkedIn is structured, it could be anything. So we'll have to go through that and figure out why you're not getting even interview calls. As a shortcut,
sir.
what you can do is go to my channel. There are dedicated playlists on how to get a job. Go through those videos and you will get something. If not, then we'll have to sit down with you one to one and figure things out. Okay, what is going wrong?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Okay. Hey, Mohit, is that you? If that's you, can you join the stream? I'll bring you so that you can also answer some questions. Void DevOps. I think Mohit hi hai shayad. Aaja bhai. Let's join. Okay. Hardaksh Singh. I can't unmute myself. Then we can't talk. I don't take questions like this. Sorry. Those are my rules. This doesn't work. Not allowed. Sorry. Rules are rules, man. You got to follow them. Doesn't work. एक ही तो रूल है. लाइव में आना, कैमरा ऑन करो, बात करो. नहीं कर सकते तो सॉरी. ओके, आर्यन, गो अहेड.
हेलो सर, आई एम हियर अगेन. मैं लास्ट टाइम जैन में आया था आपसे एडवाइस लेने के लिए रिगार्डिंग हाउ शुड आई इम्प्रूव माई सेल्फ. सो लिटिल कॉन्टेक्स्ट एंड देन आई विल गेट टू द क्वेश्चन. मैंने एडवाइस पूछी थी वेब डेवलपमेंट रिलेटेड एंड हाउ शुड आई परस्यू अराउंड गेटिंग अ जॉब. तो मेरे को एडवाइस मिली थी स्टार्ट मेकिंग कॉम्प्लेक्स थिंग्स एंड स्टार्ट डूइंग थिंग्स दैट इज नॉट पार्ट ऑफ योर वेब डेवलपमेंट. So I went ahead, I made a course selling website, did not follow any tutorial on this one, had some ideas in my brain, prompted GPT to have create a plan, worked around the plan, developed the initial version खुद से, and then I had asked GPT कि इसमें क्या changes करोगे, and it advised some changes regarding state changes and transition that I did not know of. And then I made a CLI tool which takes your entire repo, removes all the abstraction that is not needed, converts into a custom markdown format for AI to give. ये मैंने बनाया था बिकॉज मेरे पास एक्सेस नहीं था प्रीमियम मॉडल्स का जो ऐप में ही मिलता है. तो आई जस्ट वांटेड टू प्रॉम्प्ट इट ऑन द वेब एंड दैट्स व्हाई आई मेड इट. नाउ हियर कम द क्वेश्चन. एआई जो है करंटली इज डूइंग अ लॉट एंड आई एम नॉट श्योर इफ आई विल गेट अ जॉब और हाउ शुड आई अप्रोच गेटिंग अ जॉब. I have not yet started applying. I have made my resume. I have given to few people who are in the industry, and they have asked me that this is good enough to start getting a job around 6-7 LPA. My goal is around 8-10 LPA. I'm in my 6th sem right now, third year. Currently doing my exams, entering into 7. I have already started doing DSA. I'm solving NEET code 150, around 20-30 questions solved, and I've done core CS. Now my question to you is, how do I become the AI engineer that people are trying to get a hold of right now? And what I should do on myself, as in should I invest in learning AI development, and what should I do in AI development? या फिर in totality, the thing I want to ask you is what would make me interesting enough for startups or any company to hire? Like what would make me the engineer that people will be like, I want this guy to be, even if he's not skilled enough yet, but I want this guy. What would that be? So I want some brief answer on this. Ki particularly ये चीजें सीख लो. Current stack is web development and मैंने बन यूज करके जो है CLI tool बनाया था जो Node.js में मैंने डाला हुआ है. It's called Context CLI. And I have learned Python, TypeScript. That's it.
Good question. Guru, you want to take a first shot?
Sure, okay. And by the way, Mohit said he's with his kiddo.
I read that.
Yeah, okay.
No worries, Mohit. Next time.
Aryan, are you a multimillionaire?
No, sir.
Okay. So, what makes you think that you are worth only 8 lakhs or 10 lakhs, but not less?
Because sir, I don't have enough experience to justify getting a higher salary. Like I don't have any.
You said that you will not. So no, first your thing was I don't want to take 5 to 6 lakhs. My target is 10 lakhs. People, freshers start at 3 or 4 something, right? If you were that great, you will not be coming to this channel to ask these questions. So my suggestion is you have to either become rancho. You're so skilled that people will come and take you, then you don't need this channel. Second is, if you're Raju Rastogi or Farhan, I'm sure you know Three Idiots, right? The only way forward is to become relevant in the market. But you cannot become relevant in every subject. No. For example, My AI skills on a scale of 1 to 5 is 1. Yeah. Savinder may be more. There are other people who will be 3, 4, whatever. But if I go into a role, I solve their problems. So try to become a problem solver first. And then remember, AI is only coming up, right? It's like putting kesar on top of your biryani. If your biryani itself is bad, there is no point in putting all the dhania and kesar on top of it. Yeah. So my suggestion is only using bun and creating a CLI. It's like putting the condiment on top of a bad food. Don't do that. And try not to use AI for first 1 or 2 years of your software engineering projects. Because once you start using that, your thinking process and your problem solving processes goes for a toss. Okay. For example, if you want to become a car mechanic, you have to open up a car and burn your hands. Just watching YouTube video and putting this screwdriver means shock लगेगा या गाड़ी खराब हो जाएगी. So I'm sure I have given even examples. My suggestion is, and not only do front end, do back end, do databases, learn Postgres, try to fine tune your application, make it faster, make it more secure. How about putting it into an online and making other people giving feedback on it? Open source your software and ask people for feedback. Feedback is the best way possible. Put it online. LinkedIn में डालो कि मैंने develop किया. Please can you clone and let me know what do you think? People will point out so many problems with your software. First, is it good documented? Is it extendable? There's a lot of things which you need to do. Yeah. My suggestion is talk to Savinder on his top channel. Or Savinder, is it possible to give my link to that chat dot? Okay, just give me 1 minute, huh?
चैट क्या था वो chat.guru
chat.agilguru.org. नहीं,
हाँ
just
ठीक
/guru. Exactly. हाँ, वो डाल दो so that people can, yeah, that's the one. Go here and ping me. I can show you some example of the projects I have done. That way you may become better. Okay.
Yeah, there's other things to that. I actually have put all of my code on GitHub, and जब मैं कह रहा हूँ I have used AI, I didn't mean I used AI to code the thing up. I used AI to test my idea. Is this enough? Is this project that I'm doing? Is it hard enough to do, or like what other things should I add to make it more complex? That was the question. I'll give you a brief example. मैंने एक course selling website बनाई थी. I wanted to have payments into it, which is something I just wanted to have. So मैंने मैंने database किया, PostgreSQL use किया, Neon use किया. I did the whole setup. I did everything that needed to be done. When it came to integrating Stripe, I went ahead and did the integration. But एक webhook verification होता है. Where you buy something, it sends a webhook back to your application to let it know that the thing has been bought and now it is in your cart. That was failing for me. I tried for a few days, I couldn't figure it out. But then when I went on AI, तो तब मुझे पता चला कि what I'm using right now is like few versions ahead of what is currently available. इसकी वजह से issue आ रहा था. I mean in that sense. The code is open source. Vercel पे मैंने उसको post करा हुआ है. I've done it like that. My question to you was when I said 8 LPA. That is what I'm aiming for. That is not what I want. I want to at least try to get that much, but I'm happy with what I get as of now.
No, aiming for when? Like immediately or 2 years time?
No. I'm aiming for as in like 1 year into the job, 2 year into the job. I want to hit at least that number.
Okay. Then my suggestion is first get a job and get a job where you can prove yourself your worth. After that, once you become good now, every company 10 lakhs is nothing. You'll get 20. So don't overthink first. You're overthinking.
मैं कैसे अप्लाई करूं? मेरी एप्लीकेशन सेलेक्ट नहीं हो रही है जहाँ पे मैं करता हूँ and it becomes difficult to
I think you're taking too much time. My suggestion is Savinder जी या फिर सविंदर को या मुझे पिंग करो. लिंक तो सविंदर जी ने दिया है. My suggestion is some of the things which I may say should not be done in public. Let me put this way. तो ये प्राइवेट में बात करने वाली बात है. आप मुझे प्राइवेटली पिंग करो. I don't charge money for this, by the way, Aryan. So
Sure.
you can ping me then, and then we can talk.
All right,
I
sir.
hope
Send you a
Pointer,
message.
मैं आज सोच रहा हूँ कि किसी के साथ रूड नहीं होना है.
We'll see. We'll see.
Thank you, sir.
Over promise. Okay. Next कौन है?
I think
Danish. Sorry. और कोई पहले से है क्या?
हाँ, दनीश को दे देते.
चलो. Danish भाई.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
So, sir, currently I am working as a associate software engineer in Indore.
Camera on है भाई.
Okay, just give me a second. Yes, sir. So, sir, currently I am working as an associate software engineer in Indore, and my current CTC is around 2.4 or 2.4 LPA. So I want to increase my package. I've been intern for a 6 month. I'm 2025 pass out. Then I've in same company I've become associate software engineer, but I'm not getting enough CTC. I'm getting around 2.4 LPA. So I want to increase my CTC. So how can I do that?
Can I do that? So, your question is, are you a full-time employee or still internship?
No, sir. I am full-time employee from last 6 months.
Okay.
Uh, so my question was how can I increase my CTC? How can I increase my total compensation? I am earning around 2.4 LPA.
तो मैंने एक सिंपल क्वेश्चन पूछता हूँ. सैलरी कब इंक्रीज होती है?
After getting some experience, or if you are working.
Correct. So you need more experience, you need more skill, and then somebody will pay you maybe 5 and then 10 and so on, right? Do you think you are at that level? Do you have that much experience? Have you upped your skill in the last 6 months that you can go either ask the current company or go apply somewhere? Has that happened?
So sir, in last 6 months, I'm working on my internal tool in my company. So almost I've written a 80% code base by my own. I have integrated Bitbucket in our internal tool.
Answer my question. Do you think that from the day that you have joined till today, in the last 6 months, has your skill gone up? Yes or no question?
Yes,
Simple.
yes, sir, yes. I
Do you think that the company should pay you more than what you started from?
Yeah.
Your skill has gone up? Yes?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Have you gone and asked for it? Have you spoken to your manager and said, hey, I'm doing more work, I have more skill now, I think my salary should be revised? Have you had that conversation?
Yes, but they have told me to they will only do it after 1 year of employment.
ठीक है. अभी और क्या ऑप्शन है फिर? क्या कर सकते हैं?
I can change job, I can apply, and I am trying it.
And
Responses.
you're not getting called.
Yeah.
Why would that be? I'm trying to lead you to your answer.
So
Right? I'm trying hard.
can I just turn off my camera? I think.
कर दे यार,
Yeah,
बंद कर
I
दे.
am, but okay. Okay. So the problem is I am applying everywhere from in LinkedIn, Indeed, Naukri, and I prepared resume thoroughly. But whenever I reach out to HR or something like that, I didn't get any reply from their side. Most probably this is because of my 6 months of experience, and I due to my location as well. I am currently in Indore, so there is not a lot of opportunity here. So yeah, I also want to move out from here, so I can get a lot of opportunity maybe in Bangalore and Pune. So my like question is, how can I do it in upcoming 2 to 3 months gradually? Like I'm constantly upskilling myself, learning new things.
I'll give you the simple answer. The more you upskill, the easier it is to demand more money from your existing company. Or if that is not happening, then move on. Right? Without upskilling, without getting more knowledge, there is no merit in that. Right? So the simple answer to you is A, it takes time. Not everything happens in 6 months. You've been there 6 months, get some more experience, get some more exposure, spend at least 1 year so that you have enough to show, and then you can go and demand for a salary hike. If they don't, then you have options to look out. But पहले experience तो कर ले. Don't get into a FOMO situation कि उसके 5 हो गए, उसके 7 हो गए, मैं अभी 2.5 पे बैठा हूँ. It doesn't matter भाई. ढंग से करोगे तो in 2-3 years it will all even out. बट डोंट गेट इनटू दैट सिचुएशन कि मेरा कम है, मेरी जिंदगी खराब होगी, मेरी जिंदगी बर्बाद होगी. इट विल नॉट हेल्प. राइट? सो
Yeah,
फोकस,
like
spend 6 months more, sharpen your skill, and then go back to your company. If they don't, then start looking outside. But right now you need to focus on getting your skill better. Give it another 6 months. Does that answer your
okay,
question?
yeah, sure. Like I'm in FOMO because my friends are earning around 20 LPA
वो मैं
with the
समझ
same
गया, but
skill.
your start is different, right? Their start would not have been at 2.5, and they have not gone from 2.5 to 20. Their start was different, correct?
Yeah,
जो 20 पे है वो 15 से शुरू किया होगा उसने.
yeah, around 8 or 9. Yeah,
हाँ, तो फिर आपने शुरू 2.5 से किया है ना, तो आपको टाइम लगेगा ना.
yes, sir.
रिले रेस में आप पीछे हो भाई. क्या करूं?
Okay.
You're on mute, Guru.
Okay, Danishji, I think, sorry, Savinder, I think I have to be a bit rude here again. Sorry, I had to force. Right. Danish, what was the reason that you agreed to this low salary job in the first place?
Like I got it from campus placement. So
Okay.
at that time I was not like skilled. Like I don't know anything. I was not really no development and all. But
Ah,
whenever like then I got a job, learn here in the first
ah,
initial 6 months. And
okay.
now
If
I
you
thought I
think,
can.
yeah, okay. If you think that you can double your salary in 6 months, then for my 25 years or Savinder's 25 years experience, we'll be earning 20-30 crores per year. Yeah. So
Yes.
be realistic. Okay, there is a reason someone makes 20 lakhs. There are some software engineers who make 2 crores, 5 crores also. What differentiates them to you? They got more skills. And if you expect a company to double your salary every 6 months, then you are in dreamland. And if you are that good, you will not be coming to this channel and asking those questions. So the problem is skills, skills, and skills, nothing else. And because companies are not shortlisting you because of lack of skills, lack of skills, and lack of skills. That's the straight answer for you.
Yeah. All right, Danish.
Okay. Okay. Thanks for.
Thank you. All right. Next, I have Alvin. Go ahead, please.
No, I think Alvin was late. I think we should give to Sandeep Sen.
Sandeep Sen. Okay. Go ahead, Sandeep.
Yeah, hello sir. I'm big fan of yours actually, your podcasts and all actually. So I have one question. I am already experienced. So what?
Sorry.
So
नाचने दो.
actually, I have completed my BTech in 2020. So I started my internship in 2019. During the final year of my project, I got an internship. So I was working there for 1 month. Then I got full-time PPO in that company only. So I got retained over here, and because of COVID, I had another offer also. I had an offer of MBA, IBM also, but I continued over there only. And post that, after 2 years, again I had an offer of IBM only. So again they counter matched the offer, and again I stayed in the same company. So now what is the scenario that they took my interview during in Java actually during my college days. So post that, what they did, they put me in the DevOps team. So from that time onwards, I am working in the DevOps side only. But it was not a cloud DevOps; it was a on-premises DevOps side only. So from including my internship, I am having 6 years of experience. And if you exclude my internship, that is 5 years in the same organization. So from last 1.5 month, I started giving interview. So now I have an offer. Sorry, I cannot disclose the
Don't take
company
please.
name.
What's your
But
question?
yeah.
What's
So
your
my
question?
question is, right now, as a 5 years experience, I got an offer of 18 LPA. Okay. But the thing is, I'm confused whether I have to jump more, because I'm in notice period, so I have some more time in my hand. I have 2 months of notice period. So my last working day is around July. So I have experience, not I have covered by my own. I have not real time work experience in Terraform and AWS side, but I have completed the course by my own, and whatever things I did from mine, because entirely I was working on this side only, on premises side only. So there was no concept of cloud and all. So my question is, should I approach to some more CTC, or should I hold back this offer and join this organization only?
What was the reason for your switch? Only money or anything else?
Because I want to because see, after my office hours, I skilled myself in AWS, Kubernetes, Terraform, and Docker also, and then want to work on those side also. And working on in long term, I can see that if I work on on premises side only, so it will not be good for my career for the long run. So that's the reason I'm planning. And now what I'm planning, that if I'm switching, because after 5 years I'm switching, I've made my mind to switch. So I'm thinking, should I grind myself more and try to get some more package? And the only fear I'm getting is I don't have any real time work. So production environment, I have not worked on.
Okay. My suggestion is take the job.
Okay.
Take the job, because what is the guarantee that you will get a good job after 6 months or 1 year?
No, I'm not saying about 6 months, sir. The thing is, I'm asking regarding this notice period. I am in notice period currently, correct? So I'm looking for some other opportunities also. So
So
is
do
it
it now.
okay?
See, my view is it's a simple thing.
No.
You
My
have one
question is
offer
just.
in hand. You have one offer in hand. You try
Mhm.
for more. You get a better offer. Don't take this. Take this.
No, my question is what I am thinking, as I don't have hands-on experience real time, so will I get any issue because of not having any real time experience? This
ये
is
तो
the
नहीं
fear what
आता है.
I'm having.
You cracked one. Maybe you
Hmm.
Yeah.
can crack another one.
No, I
Yeah.
have two actually. Now I have two. One is paying little bit less, so I'm not even planning for that.
See,
देख
my
simple
view
है.
is take the
Good.
best offer and go and struggle in your new job
Mm-hmm.
and learn it out in there. See, whoever took your interview is not an idiot. Okay.
Yeah,
He
okay.
has seen whether you are fit for their role or not.
Hmm.
And you have proven that you will be able to work.
Okay.
Don't get afraid. There is always a first time.
Hmm.
So go and learn it, and you have practiced it at home. And I'm sure they also know that you don't have too much commercial experience. So you've done some of the projects. Go there, take the one which is giving you the most money. Go and learn it out. And there, if you are struggling, put more hours. It's a
Okay.
simple, basic thing. You're asking like the obvious. You're given
No,
your
no,
own
no. No.
results.
I'm asking, is it okay if I ask for 20, 23, 24 LPI in some
Don't,
other
don't,
organization if I get?
don't, 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 don't. What
So
if they
that's
say
it.
no and they take back your offer? What will you do
No, no,
then?
no. I'm asking if I get some other interview calls, and can I ask for 23, 24 LPA? Is it feasible to ask as my experience, as per
If they
my
give,
experience?
fine. If they give, fine. Yeah, take it. Who's telling you no?
Sandeep, I'll give you a simple answer. I'll give you a simple
Mm-hmm.
answer. You have 2 months, right, until you join.
Mm-hmm.
Take 1 month more. Give as many interviews as you can. Get the highest offer that you can.
Okay.
At the end of 30 days from today,
Mm.
make the final commitment and stick with it. Then don't shop.
Yeah. Okay.
The worst you
And
can
one
do
more
is
thing.
एक मिनट बोलने दे. The
हाँ
worst
हाँ
you
बोल
can do
रही
is make a commitment to a company and 2
हाँ
days before joining say, I'm sorry, I got another offer. That is not fair. Nobody will like
दैट आई नॉट डू.
it, right? So you have one more month. Do
हाँ
as much shopping as you can. Get the best offer that you can. But
ओके
30 days from now, pick one company based on the money, based on the environment, based on the people that you've spoken to, whatever logic you want to use. Don't just put it only on money. If you like the people that you interviewed you, and if you're joining their team, कई बार वाइब मैच हो जाती है, अच्छा लगता
हाँ
है
हाँ
बंदा.
हाँ हाँ वही मजा तो आया मुझे भी.
बट जाओ 2 लाख कम दे रहा है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, 2 साल बाद चेंज कर लेना, और मजा तो आएगा काम करने में. वो लॉजिक पे 1 महीने में डिसीजन ले लो, उसके बाद पार्टी करो अगले 1 महीने.
नहीं मुझे लगा कि मैं थोड़ा कम मांग लिया उनसे. मैं जितना मांगा 18 मांगा वो दे दिया मुझे डायरेक्ट. तो मुझसे
और वो
कोई
ट्राई कर
नेगोशिएशन
लिया.
नहीं किया.
नहीं,
हाँ
उससे तो अभी नेगोशिएट नहीं कर सकते.
हम्म
वो हो गया.
हम्म.
वो कम ज्यादा था, वो किस्मत थी, वो हो गया. अब नहीं कर सकते
और
रिनेगोशिएट.
करंट मार्केट का सिचुएशन क्या है कि कॉल्स क्योंकि आ रहे हैं एक दो जगह से, बट प्रॉब्लम है कि जिस फ्रीक्वेंसी से कॉल आना चाहिए, क्योंकि मेरे दोस्त लोग भी स्विच किए इससे पहले 1 साल पहले, तो उस फ्रीक्वेंसी से कॉल नहीं आ रहा है.
मार्केट बदल गई है. आप आधे घंटे से अगर लाइव में हो, आपको दिख रहा है किसी को ऑफर ना मिल रहे, आपके 2 मिले, जरा शुक्रिया मनाओ, भगवान को जाके थैंक यू बोलो.
हाँ
हाँ मैं ठीक हूँ, मैं ब्लेस्ड हूँ इसके लिए. तो मैं तो इसके लिए
बेस्ट हो,
ब्लेस्ड
जाके
हूँ.
प्रसाद करवा दे एक्स्ट्रा कल जाके, है ना? बस
अच्छा
बढ़िया है, मस्त करो.
अच्छा थैंक
ठीक
यू
है.
सर, थैंक यू सो मच.
ओके, ऑलराइट, who's next?
I think it should be either Aditya or Vishal Joshi.
आदित्य स्केरी लग रहा है, इसको बुला देते पहले.
हाँ
आदित्य आजा भाई.
Yeah, hi,
अभी
sir.
कैमरा ऑन कर ले
Audible?
जल्दी से, डर लग रहा मुझे.
Actually, that's the thing. It's my like my younger brother's computer. Actually, I was outside, so I didn't know about this meeting. So I just jump onto that call. I don't have my laptop, so the camera of like my brother's computer is busted.
Okay, good.
So sorry for that.
That's okay.
So,
Good.
So basically, I'll give a background about me. So I have been working in platform engineering and DevOps for around past 2 years, but I didn't start my journey as say a DevOps engineer. I started my journey as a web developer intern at College Dunia. I worked out there for a year and but found the work not that much interesting, if I can say that. So then moved to Amazon and then went for IBM. Like I did some internship and then started my full-time journey as a manual tester and then switched to the DevOps part. So currently I'm in a product-based company, a telecom based out of Germany. So my question is basically, sir, after 2 years, like I like in my next 2 to 3 years, I want to evolve my role into say a senior platform staff engineer or principal engineer or solution architect. So I just wanted to ask, like, currently I'm good in Argo CD, Kubernetes, and stuff like that. I am upscaling in Istio, as well as in my current job. My manager is very good, so he gave me the open opportunity to implement AI ops in our current, in our current environment on getting the logs from the application and create the natural language communication for our developers to get the issues of the production or something like that. So I wanted to ask that if I'm on the right track, or should I am I missing something? Am I missing on some tech stack that I should go for? Because I was planning, as I'm a platform engineer for now, I was planning to get the skills for MLOps as well. I'm not planning to switch there, just get the knowledge of that so that I can integrate that into our platform engineering stuff. So yeah.
Aditya, I'll tell you something. I'll keep this answer very short. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Only 1 or 2 out of 100 people who join these calls say that they have a very good manager. Yeah?
Yep.
Yes, sir. I am lucky for that.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
It is better to work for a good manager with less money rather than the other way around.
My question is not about the pay.
Let me
Yes, sir.
finish. Yeah. You can always learn. You need to always learn new things. That is for given. Whether
Yes.
you are doing it in a job or privately or doing freelancing, whatever you want to do, just upskilling is non-negotiable. How and where you do it is the question which you have to take the decision. Number two is, if your manager is giving you more things to do and everything, means he's looking after your career.
Yeah.
Work for him for 2-3 years and implement those things which he is giving, and take this to the market and see whether you the salary. Let's say you get 30% hike, but what is the guarantee? Like 30% hike with a very good architect, fine. But what is the chance that you will get an architect's role in that? They may give you an architect's salary. Today, lots of companies say that you will be an SRE, but they just give you support roles or what we call toys. So just be careful of what you wish for. My suggestion is, tomorrow if Savinder calls me and says, Guru, I'll give you a job, can you take a 30% pay cut? I will not even bother. I'll say, take 50% pay cut plus give me a job. Because sometimes money cannot buy happiness.
Yeah.
So you need to make this decision in what, and it also depends on what stage of your life is. For example, if you're already settled, you have your own Mercedes or Audi, and you don't have any debts, then don't switch jobs. Have a mental peace and work with a good manager.
Yes, makes sense. Understood. And one small thing I wanted to ask, sir, I am currently facing some like issues regarding. I wanted to learn about cost management in our cloud resources. So I am currently struggling about how to get good resources on.
Okay, do one thing. Savinder, send them the link to my thing. And Aditya, Savinder will now share my link. Yeah, there you go. He has said chat dot. Set up a link, set up a meeting there, and I'll try to help you out. I may not be as good as your manager, but I'll try to help you.
Sure, sir. Thank you. Thank you for the insight. Thank you all.
Thank you. All right.
अभी मेसी को बुला लो. अभी मेसी को बुला लो.
Alvin भाई आजा. Alvin, you there? Alvin? Alvin, we can't hear you. No? Going one? Going two?
Ka-ching!
Okay, next. Vishal, go ahead, please.
Hi, Surinder sir. Hi, Guru sir. Hope you are doing well, sir. If
Very good.
you remember me, we meet I think last month in April. And I just want to thank you for your guidance and the videos you have provided me. All the things that worked for me a lot, and I got the job a few months back after we have a conversation on 24th April, I guess.
Awesome.
Yeah,
Well done.
thank you. Thank you so much. And from this journey, I have learned a lot. And one thing I have developed regarding that, never stop learning. So I'll be continued with that. And I was watching your one video related to catching the signals instead of the rumors around. So, but still confused. What exactly is signals, and how can we determine this? These are the signals of the market that we should have to catch and learn more about this, that the market has shifting their personas or the goals. That I'm still confused.
एक बार दोबारा देखिए वीडियो फिर समझ
नहीं, मैंने वीडियो 2-3 बार देखी है, बट स्टिल मैं थोड़ा समझ में नहीं आ रहा, क्योंकि मार्केट में अभी एआई को लेके इतना ज्यादा कुछ चल रहा है ना, कि अभी कुछ नया एआई का वो लॉन्च हो गया, प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज दैट हेल्प्स टू बिल्ड द एजेंटिक एआई एंड हेल्प्स अ लॉट. तो समझ में नहीं आ रहा कि क्या पकड़े क्या छोड़े. That's become very broad.
Vishal, when did you start your new job?
On 27th of April.
1 महीना हुआ है अभी.
Yep.
उस पे फोकस करो प्लीज.
वो तो मैं चल रहा हूँ, उस पे तो फोकस है.
मेरी बात सुन ले. लेट मी कंप्लीट. राइट?
ओके.
सी कैसा है ना, अभी भी नई नौकरी लगी है. यू हैव टू प्रूव योरसेल्फ देयर. उसमें 2-4-5 महीने लगेंगे. राइट? उतनी देर में एआई घंटा फर्क नहीं पड़ता आपको क्या हो जाए एआई की दुनिया में. कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता. उधर फोकस करके. That is exactly what I mean.
इसी के regarding actually that was my task they have given me. So that I have actually जिस project पे they have board me on. So they gave me that कि मुझे कुछ ऐसा tool या कुछ जो भी market में चल रहा है तो in the next 2 months I have to present कि this thing we can put it in the project that I'm going to work on and how that particular thing would be helped on the
So
system.
you
So
do some
उसी
research.
yes.
So that is a different question. Your question is, out of the 200 things going on in AI, how do I figure out which one is relevant for me? That is a separate question, right? My answer to your question is,
Yep.
don't worry about AI for now.
Okay.
हो जाने दे उथल पुथल AI की दुनिया में, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता अपने को. अपने को नई जॉब मिली है ना, अपन उस पे फोकस करते हैं, right?
Okay.
Now to answer your second question,
Got it.
whatever they have given you, take that problem statement and do your research on it. Use Cloud Cowork, use Gemini, whatever you want to use, and focus on that. सबको AI गुरु बनने की जरूरत नहीं है. आपको BBC से कॉल नहीं आने वाला कि AI क्या चल रहा है. Don't worry.
Right.
कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ जाता. It is okay. जिस दिन जरूरत पड़ेगी 1 हफ्ते में सीख लेंगे. राइट? तो टेंशन मत लो.
Makes sense.
वो 8-10 बंदे ढंग के ढूंढ लो जो ट्विटर पे अच्छा बोलते हैं, उनको सुन लिया करो बीच बीच में, बहुत हो गया. उससे ज्यादा नहीं चाहिए. तो जानना है सब कुछ जो एआई में चल रहा है. जबरदस्ती ब्लड प्रेशर बढ़ाना अपना. रोज साला एंथ्रोपिक, हम रात को सोते हैं वो कुछ तो रिलीज कर देता है. अरे हद हो गई यार. कोई जिंदगी है कि नहीं हमारी? करने दे जो करना है. रख, कुछ नहीं हो जाता.
ठीक है.
विशाल,
Yes, sir.
आपने कभी मॉस्को रूल सुना है?
No idea.
Okay. मॉस्को मीन्स मस्ट हैव, शुड हैव एंड कुड हैव.
Okay.
ठीक है. और एक और है, राइट? MVP का नाम सुना है कभी?
Red MVP.
मिनिमम वायबल प्रोडक्ट करके एक चीज होती है.
Yes. Okay. Yes. MVP I know.
तुमको जो टास्क दिया है ना, पहले उसका मॉस्को एंड MVP क्या है पहले डिटरमाइन करो.
Okay.
जब तक तुमको MVP या मॉस्को पता नहीं है ना, दूसरी मीन्स तुमको भूख ही नहीं लगी और तुम जाके रेस्टोरेंट ढूंढ रहे हो, क्या फर्क पड़ेगा? कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला. पहले फाइंड आउट व्हाट शुड बी डन एंड व्हाई शुड बी डन एंड व्हाट आर द कंस्ट्रेंट्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ यू वर्क फॉर अ स्विस बैंक, तुम AI में जाके कुछ भी ढूंढेंगे तो वो तुमको लात मार के भगा देंगे, चल बक्सा लेकर. ओके. सो तुम्हारा मॉस्को, MVP एंड कंस्ट्रेंट्स क्या है, पहले उसको डॉक्यूमेंट करो और उसको समराइज करो कि क्या कर सकते हैं, क्या नहीं कर सकते हैं. ओपन सोर्स चलेगा, कमर्शियल प्रोडक्ट चलेगा, क्या करना है, कितने लोग हैं, ये सब डिजाइन करने में तुमको 1-2 वीक लग जाएगा.
Yes.
पहले उसको करो. इंक्लूड लैंग्वेज. पहले शादी कर लो, बाद में डैडी बनने का सोचेंगे. Yeah, you understood my
Yes.
point.
Yes, I understood.
Yeah, good. There you go.
Okay. Thanks, Vishal.
Yeah. So one last question, just related to your 100K summit. How is went, sir?
अरे
I
बहुत
was
बढ़िया.
not able.
डाल ही रहा हूँ पोस्ट वर्स. बढ़िया था यार.
Yes.
गुड फन.
Vlog भी हो जाता सर तो बढ़िया हो जाता.
अब तो खत्म होगी कहानी वो.
Yes. फिर व्लॉग में आके डाल देते सर, मजा आ जाता. अटेंड नहीं किया तो ऐसे देख लेते.
देख, हर चीज के व्लॉग नहीं बनते हैं. कुछ चीजें इन पर्सन जो आए उनको मजा मिला, बाकी को मिलेगा. हर चीज पब्लिसिटी नहीं करते बेटा.
चलो ठीक है. ऑल द बेस्ट सर.
नहीं आए तो कोई बात नहीं, इट्स ओके. बाकी तो हमें ही है लाइफ पे.
कभी से इधर नॉर्थ में भी करो, फिर तो डेफिनेटली आएंगे.
करेंगे यार, करेंगे. थोड़ा बड़े हो जाए फिर उधर भी करेंगे. डोंट वरी.
लंदन में करोगे तो बता देना. हाँ,
आपके घर में ही करूंगा फिर. वो तो बता के ही करूंगा.
हाँ, और तेरे ठहरने के लिए मैंने सेकंड फ्लोर रेडी भी रखा हुआ है.
तो वो मैं पूछूंगा थोड़ी. तो बनता है. चलो ऑलरेडी सर. और कौन है यार? ये
I
दीप
think Deep
हाँ,
Kamakkar.
कर्माकर।
हाँ,
दीप
कर्माकर.
आप काफी देर से
उसका
वेट कर रहे हो।
कैमरा नहीं चल रहा है, I think.
हाँ।
Hello, sir.
Hi.
Hello. Am I audible, sir?
Very much.
Okay. Sir, my name is Deep Naran Karmakar, and I have been a software developer for around 10 years. So, I recently got laid off in the month of April. And from then onwards, I've decided to move on to DevOps. In fact, I've been planning for DevOps for quite a long time ago, and I've mastered a couple of tools like Docker, Jenkins, and Kubernetes. Mastered means I learned all by myself. And I have been watching your videos for quite a while, and from there, you always say one thing in common, that when shit hits the ceiling, I really need to know. Now, from there, I've figured out that it means that something has terribly gone wrong and we have to fix that ASAP. That's for sure. So, can you point out some of the situations with respect to this context? Shit hits the ceiling.
मैं बताऊं?
Yes, please, sir.
Good,
Anyone.
go. Okay. So, Deep, okay, first thing I will be rude to you. You said you have 10 years experience,
Yes.
but you cannot even set up your own webcam. I'm seriously doubting your skills.
Actually, there is some issue with the setup, and I'm completely new into this platform, so I really don't know how.
No, it's a browser-based application. Come on, man.
No, I have allowed the permission also, for camera and mic.
Okay. Let's
on.
leave it. I don't want to waste time.
But I don't know for some reason why it is not working.
Fine. Okay. Number 2. Okay. If you look at my profile, I had the pleasure of working with investment banks for a long amount of time, 15 years. I'm sure you know companies like Fidelity Investments, Goldman Sachs. Yeah, I'm sure you know.
Yes.
And these companies have 14, 11 rounds of interview before even they give you an offer.
Okay.
Goldman Sachs is one of the worst. Yeah, and I used to work for Goldman. And then I became associate director, managed a portfolio of 120 million, quit my job, became an engineer again, did very well, and suddenly I was laid off.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Do you know who was the most happy person when I got laid off?
No idea.
My wife. She was the most happy person. Why? Because I planned it out. Because just in case if I get laid off or I lose my job or if I meet an accident or something like this happens, you have enough buffer. See, shit can hit the fan if there is a fan. If there is no fan, shit cannot hit the fan, no?
Yes.
Or you can block your butthole so that she doesn't come out. Yeah?
Okay.
So the problem is your butthole. Yeah, okay, sorry about the language, but yeah.
No worries.
No, okay. No, I'm looking at Savinder because he doesn't like the language. So now the answer here is you should have known if you don't upskill,
Okay.
this is what will happen to everybody. Whether you are senior, junior, Savinder, Guru or Anurag or Hardaksh or Adarsh or Sahil or Disha. Doesn't matter.
Yes.
If you don't keep hearing or upgrading or upskilling, you're out.
Okay.
Yeah. Number 2, what to upgrade to and how to upgrade to, you have to decide. We cannot be your judge. Yeah. Number 3, the thing is, you should only do what makes you enjoy your job. For example, I'd never want to become a CEO or a CTO. Never.
Okay.
Because I don't enjoy that. मुझे अभी भी कोडिंग का काम दे दो, मैं बैठ के आराम से कोडिंग करूंगा. तो 25 साल से वही कर रहा हूँ. बट अच्छे लोगों, मैं सीटीओ से भी ज्यादा कमाता हूँ. So it's your preference. If you are Farhan, go for photography. Why did you join ICE? Yeah.
So,
Yes.
So
so
my
the,
suggestion is these are some of the use cases where if you don't upskill, don't do things, and if you don't upgrade, and if you do the basic things which does not add value to your high salary, you will be thrown out. This is the simplest answer. Savinderji, take back.
Deep, did you get your answer?
No, actually, I was thinking that it has got something related to any DevOps problem, such as like a cluster went out or a server is not working, something kind of like that. Is that related to any of these
No,
things?
Deep, what
no.
is your real question?
Sorry.
What's your real question?
My real question is that you sometimes says that shit hits the ceiling. So I decided that something has terribly gone wrong in a system that we need to fix it up.
Correct.
So I
In
just need,
that
since I'm
context,
not so experienced in DevOps, I don't know really what exactly would I be facing if I do get a job in the future. So that's the reason why I just wanted to know some of the insights.
so the meaning of that phrase is
Yes, yes.
when there is a problem which is so
Mhm.
serious
Okay,
that it has extrapolated.
okay,
Now, it can be any problem.
okay.
That is what I mean by that English phrase.
Oh,
Now, if you
okay.
want to figure out what can go wrong in DevOps, that you will only figure out once you join and do the
Yes,
role.
yes, yes, yes.
Right? You have 10 years experience, you know stuff which can go wrong will go wrong. And there is no way to predict it. You know that already.
Okay, okay. Yes, yes,
Okay?
yes.
All right. Thanks. Sir.
And another, I have one more question.
Just
So
one
I
more,
do.
okay? We have a lot of
Okay.
people
Yes, yes,
waiting.
one more. Yeah, yeah, definitely.
Hanji.
I already have a profile of developer profile. Now, if I do add DevOps in it, how do I how do I recreate the profile? Developer with DevOps.
So that will need dedicated talk. We can't do
Okay,
that
okay,
here
okay. Sure,
with too many
sure, sure,
people.
sure.
You can either book time with Guru or with me. We can have a conversation.
Okay, yes. So can you just post the link of Mr. Guru's chat here so that
अभी
I
तो
can book
किया
one?
यार, तब से वही तो कर रहा हूँ. देख हाँ,
Just
ये
one
ले,
more, since there has been so many.
ये ले.
It got
और तेरा भी टॉप मिनट का डाल दे सविंदर, सो दैट तेरे साथ भी आएंगे. हर चीज मेरे पास मत भेज.
चलो. Okay.
okay. So thanks.
Thank
boss.
you. Okay. Who else? Anurag, go ahead, please.
Hey, hi, sir. Hey, Saminder. Hi. Oh, Guru left.
अरे ये क्या हो गया?
नहीं, तूने निकाल दिया मुझे.
Okay, he joined back. So I just want to say that okay, but just by being in this chat, by looking this chat, I got a lot of answers of my questions already.
चलो, thanks then.
A lot of people are asking whatever I have already in my mind, and they have already asked the same questions, and I got my answers from Guru definitely and Savinder also. But yeah, like my main question is like I have around like 14 years of experience in software industry, and I learned a lot of things because initially you are alone, not much pressures and all, and you're learning a lot of things whenever there is a new, and you are keep learning and all. And currently I'm also working in a very good company and earning also a lot, very good. But what I'm thinking now, the expectation from a normal developer or like a developer is become very high. Now they are expecting each and everything for us, like front end, back end, DevOps, cloud, each and everything they are expecting from us. Now things are become like if someone coming from like 5 year experience and they are just new in this industry and they are very energetic. As an example, now like currently I'm married, right? So now I'm not getting that much time after work. I like 8 to 9 hours of office and being with family. Now we are not getting that much time to get upskill. Like Guru already said, we need to be upskill, otherwise we get out of this industry. But now we are not getting that much time. But I can see that like you or Guru already have very much experience with than me, and you are still learning, guys. So how I what I should follow here? How I should keep learning with this all, because it's not like I can keep aside my family and go, okay, now I'm going
No,
to
no, 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 no. Who told you that? I'll tell you. Savinder, ask Savinder. Every time I connect with him, what do I ask? Do I ask about technology? तुम्हारी बिटिया कैसी है?
Yeah, how's your daughter? That's the first question, always.
How is the princess doing? That is what I ask. Tell me, do we work to live or do we live to work?
work to live, definitely. That's why I'm.
Yeah, exactly. So,
But companies are not understanding, na? They
no,
are
no, no,
they
no,
say
no,
to
no,
work.
no, 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 no. Let me finish. Okay, यार बीच में अटकाओ मत यार, फिर मैं फोकस भूल जाता हूँ, फिर दस्तविंदर डांटता है मुझे, ठीक है? अच्छा एक चीज बताओ, how many kids you have?
2.
Okay, good. You don't have 4 or 5, right? No. Okay, good. How old are they?
One is 7 and one is 1 year.
Okay, well, okay. That changes a lot. Okay. My suggestion is you need to be disciplined first. Number one, what time do you get up normally?
It's 7 or 6.
Okay, good. And do you work 9 to 5 office time?
It's 12 to 9 US
Okay,
time.
12 to 9. 12 to 9. Okay, understood. My suggestion is, okay, do you work over the weekends? No.
Sometime.
Sometimes, okay. Like once in 4 weeks or once in 2 weeks, something like that. Yeah?
Correct.
My suggestion is when you're not working late nights or not working over the weekends, get up at 4:30.
Actually, Guru, just one thing I want to add. I was used to like 3 to 4 years back, but after getting kids and all, they are not letting me sleep at time, and it's
No,
become
no, I
very hard.
understand that. First year, forget about it. Yeah, yeah, you are. I'll tell you one thing. You are missing the bloody point here of thinking about work when you have a 1-year-old baby. I would come and slap you if you were in my city. Your priorities are totally damn wrong. Sorry about the language, Savitarji, but your priorities are totally wrong. यार एंजॉय, मेरी बिटिया यूनिवर्सिटी जाती है यार, मुझे घर में खेलने के लिए कोई नहीं है, इसलिए मैं कोडिंग करता हूँ। मेरे घर में हाँ, तू मुझे अपना बच्चा दे दे यार, मैं पाल लेता हूँ यार।
It's not possible. Yeah.
Exactly, your priorities are damn wrong. Think what you are saying, yaar. Think. You're telling that your job and you're coming to this forum, you should be having your baby in your hand. Your mindset is like typical, मुझे काम करना है, काम कर. You are saying that you work to live, but you're living to work only, to be precise. Okay? से नेक्स्ट 6 months छोड़ दे, अच्छी तरह सो, डायपर बदल, सब कुछ कर, उसके बाद बोल कि आई विल बिकम डिसिप्लिन. सुबह उठो, पढ़ो मत, बच्चे के साथ टाइम करो ना, उसको दूध पिलाओ, ये सब करो. सुबह उठने का पहले काम करो बस. मैं ये नहीं बोल रहा कि पढ़ाई करो. Get up at 4:30 or whatever, 1 hour before, and get into the rhythm. And in 6 months' time or 1 year's time, you'll automatically get the energy first thing in the morning is the best energy, where if you study for 1 hour, it's equal to 2.5 hours in the evening. Do that, and फैमिली वालों को बोल दो ये 1 घंटा मुझे पढ़ाई करने दो, रूम लॉक कर दो. उसके बाद शाम को उनके साथ फुल टाइम बिताओ, उनको भी एनर्जी रहेगा, वो भी अच्छे रहेंगे, वो भी खेलेंगे, वो भी स्कूल में आने के बाद बैठ के करो ना. The problem is your priorities and your planning is bad. You have got the right intentions. Your priorities and your planning is bad. That's it. And you're doing right by thinking good, but we have to stop here because this is Savinder मारेगा मुझे.
Anurag, I have only one question for you. Is it a time management problem or is it something else?
I think the Guru said not discipline. I think whenever I was used to wake up early, it was very good for me. I was learning a lot of things, but as that get missed, everything happening
Take
not that.
time यार, पहले 1-2 साल बच्चे के साथ खेल लो यार. यार तुमको मालूम नहीं है कि तुम कितने लकी हो कि you have got kids. या बहुत लोग ट्राई करते हैं, उनको कुछ नहीं होता, उनके पास सब मनी होता है. I'll tell you, my wife, she treats children with acquired brain injuries. Okay, which means बच्चे खेलते रहते हैं, एक्सीडेंट हो जाता है, ट्रॉमा हो जाता है, ड्रग्स या अल्कोहल अब्यूज, 18-year-old, दिमाग चला जाता है, उनकी लाइफ बिगड़ जाती है. उनको देखने के बाद ना मुझे लगता है यार अपने बच्चे का हेल्थ अच्छा है तो मैं उनके साथ टाइम बिताऊंगा, भाड़ में गया बाकी सब. You live in a decent house, if you have a family, if you have health, if you have get 3 food and you put on proper t-shirts, na, you're a very bloody lucky guy. डोंट वरी टू मच, अभी खेलो, उसके बाद देखेंगे, 1 साल के बाद आके पूछो क्वेश्चन, हम डिफरेंट जवाब देंगे तुमको.
Yeah, sure.
ठीक है
Yeah. Yeah, other than that, I already got a lot of answers too. So thank you.
Okay,
Thank you.
fine. Okay, bye.
परफेक्ट.
सविंदर जी, ये
हाँ जी.
बंदा अच्छा था, उसने बोल दिया कि आधा आंसर पहले मिल गया, उसने कॉन्सेंट्रेट किया. हाँ, अच्छा लगा.
आदर्श, गो अहेड.
नहीं, आदर्श नहीं है यार, मिस्टर सिंह, शशिकाल को करो यार, वो बहुत देर से वेट कर रहा है.
अच्छा,
हरदक्ष.
हरदक्ष. हाँ जी, हरदक्ष.
हाँ.
Good morning, sir. Am I audible?
आवाज ठीक नहीं आ रही, ठीक नहीं आ रही.
नहीं यार, पीछे नॉइज बहुत है.
ठीक करो, माइक को ठीक करो. हाँ, नहीं, नहीं आ रही,
बिल्कुल ही गई अब तो.
बिल्कुल गई.
हमारी
नहीं,
नहीं.
बहुत गंदा है.
I'll come to you in a minute.
आप पहले एडजस्ट कर लो. हाँ, साहिल को कर लो यार, साहिल भी बहुत देर से वेट कर रहा है.
अरे साहिल तो अपना रेगुलर कस्टमर है.
अच्छा, रेगुलर कस्टमर है क्या फिर? अच्छा.
Good evening, sir. Savinder sir and Guru sir both.
हाँ जी, बोलिए साहिल.
Yes, sir. I don't have any question, but I just wanted to attend this seminar and just a quick update regarding the progress I'm making. So during the last session, before that also, I got the advice to do the project-based learning. So I am doing that, and I currently deployed as you said, a 3-tier application, Flask application, and I did it first manually using bash scripting, and now I am moving into containerization of that application. And I just wanted to say that I am learning a lot because I started doing that project-based learning. In regards of containerization, I spent like 4 months in a kind of a training. I haven't learned that much in that I learned in the last few weeks. So I wanted to thank you for guiding me at that point. And
Awesome.
now I have a small question that I wanted to build my career in Europe. So as you said that you have some experience in Europe also, and I wanted to know what different I could do, or what is different in Europe in the tech industry in DevOps that I must know regarding projects or anything as a junior.
So Sahil, that is a question for tomorrow and day after.
Okay.
Right? It's too far a question, not valid right now. You focus on what you're doing right now. You're in college, if I remember, right?
Yes, sir. Masters first semester.
Masters. So finish your college, get your job. ये सब बाद में देखेंगे.
Okay.
Out of syllabus a question है.
Got it.
तो फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
Or I'll tell you, Sahil,
Yes.
the river on the other side is always greener.
Yeah. And
Trust
he's
me.
on the other side. Guru is in London, so he's on the other side.
Yeah, I'm on the other side. I am in Europe for the last 25 years.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll tell you something. 10 or 11 years ago, me and my wife wanted to move back to India. Okay? And we were discussing where to go. I was thinking I'll go to Pune. I love Pune. My wife is from Chennai. She said she wants to go to Chennai. And we were discussing. And suddenly my 9-year-old daughter comes in and says, Mom, Dad, you are Indians. I'm British. I'm not coming to India. Yeah. So, if that was not the case, we would have been happily living in India, right? Remember, people think that, behind our home there is a tree where money is literally hanging, we can pull whenever we want. It's not that. UK or Europe has very bad weather. You will hardly make friends, especially if you go into Scandinavian countries like Sweden. Why do you think Sweden invented WhatsApp? Because they don't want to go to every other place. Yeah.
Sure.
Number 2, if you are a person who likes friends and families, then stay in India. Now, India is one of the most growing country in the world. Opportunities in India is far more. Here in India, getting a 10% pay rise is very easy. Getting a 2-3% pay rise in Europe becomes very good, very bad, very tough. Don't compare yourself with people who are exceptional. Like, अरे गुरु ने गोल्डमैन सैक्स किया, मैं भी गोल्डमैन सैक्स करूंगा. गोल्डमैन सैक्स में घुसना इतना इजी नहीं होता. और वन ऑफ द रीजंस गोल्डमैन सैक्स ने मुझे सेलेक्ट किया because before most of the trades of Fidelity was executed by Goldman, and I used to work for Fidelity. That's why
Okay.
I was their second choice. First choice ने गोची कर दिया, इसलिए मुझे लिया उन लोगों ने. So just be careful of what you wish for, and also if you don't get good master's degree marks, then forget, let alone Europe. The only thing which differs is country to country. Now, not every country is same. For example, Eastern European country में 12 घंटे काम करते हैं वो लोग, क्योंकि वहां लेबर लॉ ज्यादा नहीं होते. यहाँ लेबर लॉ होता है 9 to 6 है to 9 to 6. उसके ऊपर जर्मनी इज बाय फार द बेस्ट एंड फ्रांस इज बाय फार द बेस्ट. वहां एक्स्ट्रा काम करने बोलोगे ना तो गवर्नमेंट आके इतना बड़ा लाभ मारेगी कि you will go bankrupt.
Okay.
So don't. Okay. So my suggestion is don't overthink. Do your masters and get really highly skilled. Then based on your skill, AWS उठाएगी, Google उठाएगा और तुमको जहां जाना चले जाओ.
Okay.
मैं वो बोल रहा ना, is the same answer I gave one person behind. अभी तुम्हारी शादी नहीं हुई और तुम डैडी बनने की सोच रहे हो. ठीक है.
Sure,
Okay,
sir.
guys, let's move. We have a lot of people waiting today.
Oh my God. Oh, okay.
Okay, so let's be quick. हाँ जी, हरदक्ष.
नहीं, अल्विन रॉय वेट कर रहा था ना अपने लिए, उसका कट किया था ना.
अल्विन का है. हाँ, अल्विन.
हाँ, आ गया अल्विन. हाँ.
Alvin, you back? Alvin, can you say something?
No.
No, Alvin?
No, Alvin. No.
Hey, okay. Okay, Hardaksh, go ahead.
Am I audible, sir?
Yes.
Perfect. सत श्री अकाल पाजी.
सत श्री अकाल. मैं ये पूछना चाह रहा था, जैसे अभी मैं जस्ट 12th पास आउट हुआ है, मेरा भी रिजल्ट आउट हुआ, तो मैं पूछना चाह रहा था मैं आगे ऐसा क्या करूं कि जैसे एआई बहुत आ रहा है, एआई बहुत इंट्रोड्यूस हो रहा है इसमें, तो मैं ऐसा क्या करूं आगे कि मैं एआई से एक तरीके से इम्यून रह सकूं. ऐसी क्या स्किल्स डेवलप करनी चाहिए?
अभी क्या कर रहे हो आप? 3rd ईयर में हो, यू सेड?
नहीं, अभी स्कूल पास आउट हुआ हूं.
स्कूल पास आउट हो?
या
मतलब 12th पास आउट हो?
हाँ.
अबे यार छोड़ना यार, खेल बाहर जाके क्या कर रहे हो? कोई काम नहीं है 11:15 बजे ये लाइफ में? इतनी क्या टेंशन है यार लाइफ में?
अगर बता दीजिए. या
तो ठंड रख यार, क्या चल रहा है?
अरे सर,
कौन सा एआई यार, तेरे को क्या लेना देना है बे? क्या चल रहा है यार?
अच्छा, आपने 12th पास कर लिया है क्या?
हाँ जी.
कॉलेज में एडमिशन होगी बंदेगी?
कॉलेज की एडमिशन हो गई क्या?
नहीं, अभी होगी एडमिशन.
तो उस पर ध्यान देना. यहाँ क्या कर रहा है?
अरे सर, कॉलेज में भी तो आगे चीजें होंगी ना.
सॉरी, क्या बोला? ठीक से सुनाई नहीं दिया.
मैं कह रहा हूँ कॉलेज में भी तो आगे चीजें होंगी. मैं उसके लिए ऐसा क्या करूँ कि मैं कॉलेज जाती प्रिपेयर रहूँ.
कुछ ना कर भाई
यार, बाद में देखेंगे यार. यार तुम लोग बहुत हर चीज में चूल रहती है.
पहले 1 साल में ना, फर्स्ट ईयर ऑफ कॉलेज में एक गर्लफ्रेंड जरूर बना लेना, बाकी सब छोड़.
एग्जैक्टली
है ना?
उसकी टेंशन मत लीजिए.
क्या?
उसकी टेंशन मत लीजिए जरा.
उसी की टेंशन नहीं, ये सब एश ये सब हो जाएगा यार, घबरा मत. गर्लफ्रेंड बना, घुमा. पापा ने पैसे उड़ा के
रिलैक्स कर, जॉब तो मिल जाएगा तुझे. कम्युनिकेशन स्किल परफेक्ट हो जाएगा तेरा. लड़की पटा लेगा तो कम्युनिकेशन स्किल एकदम परफेक्ट, तो ये जॉब लग जाएगा.
बस वही कर ले फर्स्ट ईयर में.
हाँ
चलो ठीक है, फर्स्ट ईयर में भी देंगे.
ठीक है।
जिस दिन गर्लफ्रेंड बन गई उससे अगले लाइव में आके बता देना कि बन गई जी। अब बताओ क्या
जरूर
करना
सर, जरूर याद रखना मुझे फिर, याद
है।
रखना।
Done.
ठीक है,
चल
ओके।
भाई। चल,
My
किसी का
God, यार
Hello,
लोगों को
sir,
यार
am I audible?
Yeah,
हाँ
give me
हाँ
one
हाँ
minute. Give me 1 minute, Ashwin. Alvin. Savinder, यार आजकल को लोगों को क्या हो गया है यार? लाइक 10th बाद में देखेंगे कि मैं अभी पैदा हुआ हूँ, मैं क्या पढ़ाई करूँ?
11:15 बजे 12वीं क्लास का लड़का, बताओ यार कहाँ
यार
जा रही है? कुछ तो गलत कर रहे हैं हम लोग।
हाँ,
नॉट
like
राइट।
I don't what are we telling people कि slog your whole life? No.
That's what it is.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay,
Alvin,
go on, Alvin.
go ahead. We'll be quick,
Hello,
man.
sir. Thank you, sir, for giving me the opportunity. So, good evening, sir. So, my name is Alvin Roy. Currently doing my diploma in DevOps engineering, and like my question is like, so I've completed my graduation in BCA, and my question is like, I want to go for MS in cloud computing and DevOps. So, like, my family members are saying for MCA, do MCA in India only, then go for if you want to go in job visa, not in study visa. So, like, what would you guide me for that?
Have you got admission for MS somewhere?
No, sir. I'm trying. I'm trying. I have that agent called Edroots. I'm talking to them, and like they are saying that I have opportunity in MS, and like I want to tell that I've got an interview opportunity here in India only for junior system engineer. I want to become a DevOps engineer, and my motive is that I want go for junior system engineer for 1 year, then transition to DevOps engineer, and then go for DevOps. So in MS after 2 years,
तो
like
क्वेश्चन क्या
1 year
है?
for junior system, like
What is
1 year for junior, 1 year for junior system engineer, and the second year for DevOps engineer, and then go for MS. Currently doing
okay?
my diploma. So my question is, my family members my family members are telling me that go for after doing my diploma, go for MCA, then go for job.
So your question is, after diploma, should I do MCA or should I do job? Is that your question?
Or do
Yeah, sir.
MS.
Or
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 MS.
no,
do MS. Or
anyways
do
wants to
MS.
do
Yeah.
after 2 years.
Yeah, I want to do MS, but they are going for telling me that go for MCA and then go for
But
job.
MS के पहले बैचलर्स तो चाहिए ना, अभी तो डिप्लोमा
Yeah,
किया
sir.
है।
I completed my graduation. I've completed my graduation. Then
Okay, उसका
I'm currently
BCA
doing my diploma
ओके, तो अभी
यार
after
क्वेश्चन
एक चीज
completing
बता,
graduation. Yeah.
BCA करने के बाद तू डिप्लोमा क्यों कर रहा है?
ये समझ नहीं आया मुझे।
Yeah, sir. So the thing is like I was not aware of the cloud computing and DevOps thing earlier. So one of my seniors guided me go for diploma and you will get to learn from industry experts.
अब डिग्री के बाद डिप्लोमा कौन करता है यार? उल्टा कैसे चला गया?
Yes, sir. I was confused a bit.
जाएगा क्या?
That's why. Yes, sir. So the thing is, sir, like I was not able to know. I don't like coding and DSA like that much. So I was not aware of the cloud and DevOps part. So after completing my graduation, then only I was able to know that there is cloud and DevOps, and that's why I go for
Okay.
this part,
Now
diploma in
stop
DevOps.
you here because of there is a lot
Sorry,
of
sir.
other people. Don't go for
Okay, sir.
MS. Don't go for
Okay,
MS.
sir.
Because if you say I
Okay.
don't like DSA and coding, don't go for MS. It's a waste of your time.
Okay.
Okay. Number
Okay.
2, if you are not good at something, don't do your masters at all. Okay.
Okay, sir.
There's
So
no point
okay.
in doing masters. Finish your diploma, get the best job you can get, and continue and learn from your job and continue. My view is that if you say that I do not like coding or I'm not good at DSA or learning, then MS is not good for you or any master's degree is not good for you. It's a
Yep.
waste of your time and energy and money.
Yeah, you should
So,
get a
sir,
job.
in MS in specialization in cloud and DevOps, I like the
Doesn't
coding. I like the Docker and Kubernetes and the AWS part.
see, Alvin, there is
Yes,
a
sir.
rumor going around in the world. If you don't know DSA, if you don't know this, you can go into DevOps. Trust me, nowadays, only DevOps role does not exist. If it exists, they are not worth your master's degree because they pay shit value. Number 3 is if you want to do a good company for DA or DevOps on site reliability, you need to know coding. And for example, look at any good company. there is no role called DevOps engineer. Only Wipro, TCS, HCL, and those MNCs where they want you to do donkey jobs have this one. Yeah.
Okay.
So my suggestion is, if you want to grow things, you need to expand your scope. You need to expand your scope. And if you don't like
Okay.
application development and coding, my suggestion is finish your diploma, get a job in cloud, and do the menial things and continue with your life.
Okay, so you are not telling me to go for MCA either also.
No, no,
No.
Just
no.
just the job part.
Yeah, go for a job. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.
No worries. That was an easy one.
Rahul, go ahead, please.
सर मुझे बात करने में तकलीफ होता है, इसमें मैसेज करते मैसेज।
हाँ कोई बात नहीं, मैसेज करो।
कैन यू सी माय मैसेज?
अच्छा, सी योर मैसेज। एक सेकंड यार, ढूंढना पड़ेगा।
ओके ओके ओके।
राहुल,
हाँ आ गया। हाँ, वी कैन सी योर मैसेज। हाँ, प्राइवेट में है सविंदर, प्राइवेट में है, देख।
Okay, I am Rahul Devnath from Tripura. I am 80% disabled student and currently studying BCA second sem from Indira Gandhi Open University. I passed class 12th with PCB stream and I belong to a middle class family. I'm very interested in cyber security and AI. After completing my current BCA course, what should I do next to gain more practical knowledge and build a good career in these fields? Which skills, certification, internship or courses would be best for me as a beginner? So BCA second sem. Okay.
Yes sir, yeah.
So BCA first year में है बंदा, 3 year course, उसमें से first year में।
हाँ सर।
Okay.
Rahul, my suggestion is, you are doing overthinking here. Yeah. Trust me, if you do too much thinking, no, it is not good for anyone. Yeah? Yeah. My suggestion is concentrate on your studies and try to get good marks first. Okay. You have 2 more years to think what you want to do. In 2 years, they may change a lot of, technology is changing every 6 months. So you are thinking too much. And my suggestion is that you, apart from your education, maybe you can think about improving your health. I know I'm saying this because my wife is from a medical background. I'm not trying to be a doctor here. Yeah, of course I have qualification. My suggestion is, unfortunately, people who are disabled are not given the right opportunities in any country.
Yes sir, yeah.
Yeah, so my suggestion is, while you are improving your technical skills, maybe get some medical therapy or something which will make you better in communication and learning. Please don't take it in a negative way. I know it's because my wife is treating children with acquired brain injuries, right?
Yeah.
So please don't take your disability as a disadvantage. Use it as an advantage and concentrate on your education and leave all the other things aside. Don't watch videos. If you are learning some upskill for videos, that's fine. But do not watch ये करूं क्या वो करूं क्या, मत करो। अभी 12th स्टैंडर्ड के लड़के, 10th स्टैंडर्ड के लड़के, बाद में 5वीं क्लास वाले भी आ जाएंगे, बोलेंगे मैं क्या करूं। नहीं यार, क्यों? Enjoy your life यार। You know how lucky you are to be with your parents?
Yeah.
So people don't appreciate what they have and what they can work on. My suggestion is, I sincerely request you not to come into these platforms for asking advice till you finish your education. You're in your first year of your education. Concentrate on that. You have 1 more year, 1.5 years more. Technology changes every 6 months, yaar. I'll tell you, when quantum computing comes, all these binary protocols are in deep shit. तब क्या करोगे? क्वांटम कंप्यूटिंग आ गया तो बाइनरी कुछ भी नहीं चलेगा जो अभी चल रहा है. So my suggestion is please log off and concentrate on your education and those things and make yourself good at problem solving. टेक्नोलॉजी बाद में पढ़ा जा सकता है और अपना हेल्थ का देखो पहले. ठीक है
सर.
ठीक है. ओके, थैंक यू राहुल.
थैंक यू सर.
थैंक यू. बाय.
ओके, और कौन है अभी?
नितेश जी, एकदम मूछ के साथ वाले.
हाँ नितेश. हाँ जी.
Hello, hello. How are you?
Good, very good. Yeah.
I mean, this is the first time I'm actually interacting with Guru sir, and I mean, his insights are quite good. And I just wanted to know your insights on what our Prime Minister has told for, like, he urged for work from home to like reduce the fuel consumption and all. So, how do we like inculcate with the if you are applying for some organization, so how do you ask them like this work from home policy?
What's the question, Nitesh? I didn't understand. If you're
Uh,
applying for an organization, giving an interview, how do you ask them if you have work from home or not?
Yeah, or else like if PM has urged for work from home policy to be indulged, so how do we ask them?
It's a simple question. Do you allow work from home? Yes or no? Simple.
देखो,
ठीक है, PM is doing what PM has to do. That
Yeah.
doesn't mean every organization will adhere to it. It's not a mandate. It's a request.
Request.
Right? It doesn't mean anything.
Nitesh, if I request you to jump from the third floor, will you jump?
No, but if if the fire is
What
there,
is
then
your question? What is your real question? Ask the real question, please.
like I wanted to know your insight. Like, how do we ask the organization to like give this?
Do you allow work from home? Yes or no? Simple.
If they say no, then you say, I want to work from home. They will say, no, please get lost, and you get lost. That's it. Simple बात है.
क्या कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी है?
देखो यार, नीलेश जी, नितेश जी,
यस,
प्राइम मिनिस्टर कुछ भी बोलेगा, पॉलिटिशियन कुछ भी बोले, जो कंपनी चलाते हैं उनका पॉलिसी अलग होता है. वो बोलेंगे ये मेरे रिक्वायरमेंट है, ये मेरे पॉलिसीज है, ये मेरा नीड है, इसको तुम सॉल्व करोगे तो आओ, नहीं तो जाओ.
और नितेश, एक चीज और, हम इंडिया में काम करते हैं. आज वो बोलेगा वर्क फ्रॉम होम, कल बोलेगा 2 दिन ऑफिस आ जाओ, परसों बोलेगा 5 दिन आना पड़ेगा.
हाँ,
नहीं कर सकते.
कुछ नहीं कर सकते.
कोई रूल नहीं चलते यहाँ पे. कंपनी की मर्जी.
ये जर्मनी में डिफरेंट होता है, यहाँ यूके में डिफरेंट होता है. स्कैंडिनेवियन कंट्रीज में तुम अगर ऐसे चेंज करोगे ना, कंपनी की बैंड बजा देंगे.
करेक्ट. हम इंडिया में है, कंपनी की मर्जी है, वो कुछ भी करे. आपका मैनेजर के साथ जुगाड़ है, जुगाड़ में चल जाए तो बात अलग है. बट यू कांट आर्ग्यू. उनकी मर्जी है, 2 दिन बुलाना है, 5 दिन बुलाना है, 10 दिन बुलाना है, हफ्ते में वो बुलाएंगे, हमको जाना पड़ेगा. सिंपल.
रात को बुलाएंगे तो भी जाना पड़ेगा.
करते ही है ना यार, आप सीनियर हो.
यस,
सिंपल है. बाकी
हमारा इनसाइड से कुछ घंटा फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला.
क्या, हम कौन है बे? मोदी साहब करेंगे जो करना उनको, उसकी टेंशन मत लो, आप अपना संभालो, वो कर लेंगे जो करना. डोंट वरी. थैंक यू. ओके, आदर्श.
Okay. Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
So, okay. My question is that I have done my BTech in web development. So, major was web development. So, after completing that, I left. I joined the company and I left that company for government preparation. Right. After preparing for 1 year or so, I haven't cleared the government exam, so I rejoined another IT company as an SRE. So as I was from web development role, so I thought कि यहाँ पर 1 साल दूंगा, साइड बाय साइड वेब डेवलपमेंट के अपने स्किल्स ब्रश अप करूंगा, और दोबारा जब स्विच करूंगा नेक्स्ट कंपनी में बोल दूंगा कि करंट कंपनी में एज एन वेब डेवलपमेंट प्लस SRE वर्क कर रहा था. So then I will again come into the development. बट जो इश्यू था वो ये था कि कंपनी के काफी ज्यादा मतलब लॉन्ग आवर्स थे, तो अपस्किल नहीं हो रहा था। सो मैंने फिर सोचा कि डेवऑप्स पढ़ लेते हैं, एज एन एसआरई का तो काम कर ही रहा हूँ, तो डेवऑप्स का पढ़ के सेम लाइन हो जाएगी, तो जो मैं पढ़ूंगा कंपनी को भी बेनिफिशियल होगा और मेरे करियर ग्रोथ में भी सही रहेगा। तो मैं ये जानना चाहता हूँ कि मैं सही पाथ पे हूँ या नहीं, क्योंकि मेरा 1 साल कह रहा हूँ गवर्नमेंट जॉब में भी मतलब गैप आ गया, तो मैं काफी पीछे हूँ, मतलब एज एन 1 ईयर वहां पे भी वेस्ट हुआ है, तो उस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से। और सेकेंडली ये करंट कंपनी है वो वर्क फ्रॉम होम वाली है, तो एज एन कोई नेटवर्क नहीं है मेरा कि जैसे किसी से पूछ लें, जैसे नेटवर्क के लिए अगर लिंक्डइन पे भी कोई कनेक्ट करते हैं तो रिस्पॉन्ड नहीं आता, तो उसके लिए अगर मीनिंगफुल कनेक्शन बनाने हैं तो कैसे कर सकते हैं? लाइक आई एम नॉट इन बैंगलोर एंड ऑल, कि कहीं मीटअप हो रहा है जैसे आपने पुणे में किया था, वो चीजें नहीं पॉसिबल है, तो उसका सोल्यूशन ये मेरे क्वेश्चन।
उसके लिए नेटवर्क कैसे करना है उसके लिए मेरे चैनल पे डेडिकेटेड वीडियोस हैं, वो आप जाके देख सकते हो, राइट? अभी आप एसआरई का जो काम करते हो एग्जैक्टली क्या करते हो, थोड़ा बताओगे?
जो कंपनी है डेल, उनके लिए काम करते हैं, तो सिंथेटिक मॉनिटरिंग के लिए जो स्क्रिप्ट्स बनाते हैं हम लोग, कुछ फेल होता है तो एमआईएम ब्रिज वगैरह इनिशिएट करते हैं, लॉग्स वगैरह चेक करते हैं कि क्या हुआ, फेल ओवर क्या हुआ। बाकी हम डायनाट्रेस यूज करते हैं, ग्लास बॉक्स वगैरह यूज करते हैं सेशन चेक करने के लिए, और बाकी चीजों के लिए रियल यूजर मॉनिटरिंग एंड ऑल के लिए।
ऑटोमेशन किया है कुछ एनसिबल
अ,
टेराफॉर्म
उसके रिगार्डिंग कंपनी नहीं करती, मैं साइड बाय साइड पढ़ रहा हूँ उसके लिए, मतलब कंपनी में वो चीज नहीं होती।
आप जो कर रहे हो ना वो ग्लोरीफाइड प्रोडक्शन सपोर्ट है और कुछ नहीं है। उसको नाम दिया एसआरई का, राइट? तो वो एसआरई नहीं कर रहे आप, ओके? तो जो कंपनी कर रही है वो बढ़िया है, करते रहो, बट अपना अपस्किलिंग करो, ढंग से एसआरई पढ़ लो, पहले एसआरई तो पढ़ लो और ऑटोमेशन सीखो, अपने खुद के प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाओ, उसके बाद डेवऑप्स में जाना है तो करना है कर लेना, बट प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाओ अपने, क्योंकि आपके इन्वायरमेंट में कुछ खास अपस्किलिंग का सीन लग नहीं रहा मुझे। तो वो करते रहो, जो कर रहे हो बढ़िया है, बट अपने अलग से प्रोजेक्ट बनाओ, अपना सीखो और 6-8 महीने रुको, अपस्किल करो और निकल जाओ, ठीक है?
ठीक है सर, ठीक है, थैंक यू।
ओके, थैंक यू। ऑल राइट,
सोनू को बुला लो यार, आई थिंक सोनू वेट कर रहा है का नहीं, यसीन भी वेट, कहाँ सोनू बुला लो। हाँ
सोनू आ गया, लाल लाल सोनू। हाँ जी बोलिए। सही माहौल बना रखा है इसने तो।
ओके, मैं बताता हूँ।
Hi.
Alexa,
So
casting on.
so my question is, so
वो बात
I've been
नहीं है।
working.
Sorry, Sonu.
Yeah.
Good.
So I've been working in the same company for 7 years. But the thing is, I've gone to on-site like multiple countries like South Africa, Malaysia, Saudi, and other countries. So the pay was not a problem, but right now the environment is getting toxic, and I'm very scared to switch to a new company because I am doubting myself.
Okay. What's the question?
So the question is, how do I prepare for interviews? At my level, so I'm having 7 years plus experience, right? So at my level, I'm looking for solution architect job roles. So how do I prepare?
So this question is probably because you have never switched your job.
Yeah.
You've been in
Yeah.
the same company. Have you prepared your resume?
Yes.
Have you started applying somewhere?
Yeah, like few companies, 5 to 6.
तो एक काम करो, go to my channel. There is a playlist on how to find a job. उसमें there are details on how to create your profile, your LinkedIn, all of that. Go through that. That should answer about 70-80% of your questions. Right? Now,
Okay.
to your last part, if you want to bid for an architect role, you have to figure out what does an architect do. Look at 15 open positions for an architect. Then create a summary of, okay, these are the 10 skills that an architect needs. This is what an architect does. And from your current situation to that, you know the gap, address the gap. Right? Have you done architecting in your current role?
Yeah, right now I'm a junior architect in the company.
ठीक है. Okay. So it's as simple as that, yeah. And there is no theory to it. Once your resume is ready, start applying. You will know whether the resume flies or not. If you don't get a response, change. First goal is to start getting the calls. Once you start getting the calls, you get 2, 3 interviews, you'll figure out what is lacking. Read again. Right? So there is no magic formula to this, right?
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Thank you. All right. Kumrendra. Kumrendra?
Hello, sir. Am I audible?
Yes.
Yeah. Hello, Savinder, sir. Hello, Guru, sir. So,
थोड़ा mic
thank you.
पीछे. It's too
Oh,
close. This is okay.
is it fine now? Yeah. सर अभी रिसेंटली 2025 में ले ऑफ हुआ. मैं हैदराबाद में रहता हूँ अभी, बेसिकली छत्तीसगढ़ से हूँ, और कुछ साल हो गए. अभी तक मैंने 2 कंपनीज में स्विच करी है. पहली कंपनीज में कुछ इश्यूज आ रहे थे, और जिसकी वजह से अभी मुझे करंट जो जॉब ऑफर आया, रिसेंटली मेरी मैरिज भी हुई, तो उसके बाद मैंने अभी जॉब के लिए कुछ गैप लेके और ट्राई करना शुरू किया. सो
Kumrendra, थोड़ा माइक दूर करो आपके फेस से.
Okay. Sorry, sir. So, is it fine now?
Yeah, go ahead.
Oh, yeah, sorry, sir. So, अभी क्या है कि प्रॉब्लम आ रही है पुरानी कंपनीज के साथ में. मोस्टली इससे पहले प्रोडक्ट बेस्ड कंपनी में था, और वहाँ पे ले ऑफ होने के बाद से मैंने कुछ ब्रेक भी लिया. अल्दो मेरे पास 2 ऑफर्स भी थे, बट मैरिज वगैरह की वजह से मैंने ऑफर्स को डिनाई करना पड़ गया. अभी रिसेंटली जब ये ऑफर आया तो उसमें कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स आए, और बेसिकली आई जस्ट डोंट वांट टू डिस्कस राइट नाउ हियर, बट रादर आई वांट टू लाइक कनेक्ट विथ एनी ऑफ यू. लाइक maybe I was searching for you, Savinder sir. Maybe in TopMet I found you. So can I proceed with that? And other than that, I have a couple of other questions too. So just want to know like how I can connect with you, one-on-one session kind of on my career guidance, because there are several things which has to be discussed.
We have Guru's link and my TopMate. You can connect with any one of us.
Okay, yeah, that's the first thing, sir. And other questions are like those are like.
Other question फिर उधर ही करते हैं ना यार, बाकी उससे बात कर लेते हैं ना.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, that's correct.
All right, thank you. Okay. हाँ जी, मोहम्मद फरहान. अरे फरहान आ गया.
हेलो सर. हेलो सर.
हेलो.
क्या मैं सुना दे रहा हूँ? आई एम ऑडिबल?
या.
हाँ, हेलो सर. कैसे हैं सर आप? सर मेरा एक क्वेश्चन है. बेसिकली मैं एक Tier 3 कॉलेज से आता हूँ. अब जस्ट 20 डेज पहले मेरा ग्रेजुएशन हुआ है, और अभी तक जॉब नहीं लगी. लेकिन एक इंस्टीट्यूट है, कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट, जो प्लेसमेंट सपोर्ट कराते, उसमें ज्वाइन हुआ हूँ. पिछले 4 महीने से इधर बेंगलुरु आकर उसमें पढ़ाई कर रहा हूँ. जॉब्स तो आ रहे हैं फिलहाल, लाइक ओपनिंग्स आ रहे हैं छोटे छोटे स्टार्टअप्स में, जैसे 4 LPA 5 LPA बोलते हैं, और 2.5 साल का 2 साल का बॉन्ड लिखाते हैं वो. उसमें उसके अलावा दूसरा मार्केट कोई ओपन ही नहीं दिख रहा है मेरे को. अगर ओपन से कहीं पर अप्लाई करूँगा तो उसमें रिप्लाई नहीं आता मेल का. और अगर कुछ ग्रुप्स मिल जाते हैं, व्हाट्सएप के ग्रुप्स, जिसमें जैसे उसमें लिंक्स ओपनिंग जो आते हैं, इसमें लिंक्स देते हैं, उसमें क्लिक करेंगे तो थोड़ा स्क्रॉल करने के बाद अप्लाई हियर का तो थोड़ा लिंक देते हैं वो वैसे वेबसाइट में जाकर अप्लाई करूँगा तो भी रिप्लाई नहीं आता. वो मार्केट कैसे पहुँचूँ मार्केट की जगह?
क्या जवाब एक्सपेक्टेड है अभी फरहान?
मतलब
जैसा, हाँ, क्या अभी मार्केट का सीन ही ऐसा है, क्या कर सकते हो अभी?
नहीं, अगर मतलब रिप्लाई नहीं आता अगर कहीं से अप्लाई करूँगा तो, फ्रेशर रोल के लिए.
गुरु, you're on mute. Oh,
Assalamu alaikum, Sayyid sir.
Walaikum assalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, sir.
Okay. So there is not much we can do, Savinder or myself, we can do. That's your problem is a problem for everyone. Yeah?
Mm.
Not for freshers, experienced, 15 years, 20 years, Amazon people who are some of the best engineers out. Why do you think they don't get opportunity? Because what they know and what they do is not compatible with what the market needs. Yeah? So, again, I'm saying it's what you need to align to market needs, not the other way around.
Mm.
Okay. And it is a hard market. Now, if I want to nitpick you, for example, yeah, you are sitting with me in a professional meeting right now. Yeah?
Yeah.
I
Yes.
can see your chaddi and banyan, which is in the background.
No, sir, just bachelor stuff.
Look at Yash. He is professional. Look at Kush. He's in a banyan. That's unprofessional. Look at Karan. Semi-professional. Look at programming. Half professional क्योंकि उसका बेड दिख रहा है मुझे. कौस्तुभ देखो एकदम प्रोफेशनल. पहले प्रोफेशनल बनना सीखो. इसमें ना एक फीचर होता है बैकग्राउंड का सेटअप करने के लिए. ठीक है, वो ही नहीं यार. तुम पहले प्रोफेशनल बनना सीखो यार. तुम अभी चड्डी बनियान दिखाओगे तो तुम्हारे बारे में इंप्रेशन क्या पड़ेगा? ठीक है. ओके, नंबर 2, it's all these small things and communication skills and everything matters. देखो प्रोग्रामिंग ने अभी ऐसा लिख रहा है कि वो विनकॉन्सिन में बैठा हुआ है ना? वैसा कर लो ना, कौन मना कर रहा है तुमको? हाँ, या यश ने जैसे बैकग्राउंड को ब्लर कर दिया. थोड़ा और आगे आ जाओ यश. ऐसा लग रहा है कि तुम कंप्यूटर से आधा किलोमीटर दूर बैठे हुए हो. क्यों? हाँ, आ जाओ ना. हम तुमको लाइन नहीं मारेंगे, घबराओ मत. ठीक है. So number 2 is you need to upgrade your CV. You need to sell yourself better, and we cannot help you on that one. Savinder has created n number of videos on this, how to communicate, how to link with people and do things. My suggestion is seriously do that. You are repeating the same questions other people are asking again and again. If I'm not wrong, Savinder ji. Yeah. So my suggestion is at least play this video when this becomes live. It will give you half the answers. Okay? That's all I have to say. Savinder, take away.
No, I'm good here. We have to hurry up. It's over 2 hours and we have a lot of people waiting. Okay, Yassine, go ahead. We'll make it quick now.
गुड इवनिंग सर.
हेलो
सर, मैं करेंटली थर्ड ईयर कंप्लीट हो चुका है, फोर्थ ईयर में जाने वाला हूँ इंजीनियरिंग में. मैं सीएससी में स्पेशलाइजेशन एआई में हूँ सर. मेरे पास पाइथन और डीएससी के अच्छे स्किल्स है. मैं तो और क्या स्किल सीख सकता हूँ सर जिससे मेरी इंटर्नशिप लगे या फिर जॉब अच्छी लगे?
यसीन, इसके लिए बहुत वीडियोस मैंने बनाए हुए हैं, मेरे चैनल पे देख सकते हो. ये तो बहुत कॉमन क्वेश्चन है यार. 1000 वीडियोस हैं उसमें, देख लो आप. ठीक है.
ये रिपीटेड क्वेश्चन है. ओके, थैंक गॉड. अभी कौस्तुभ को बुलाते, एकदम प्रोफेशनल दिख रहा है.
सही लग रहा है. बोल भाई कौस्तुभ.
सर, गुड इवनिंग सर. एक्चुअली मेरा क्वेश्चन माइट भी थोड़ा डम होगा, बट मेरे बैचलर्स अभी अभी खत्म हुआ है एंड आई एम फ्रॉम अ टीयर 4, मतलब ऐसी लोकल यूनिवर्सिटी थी, यहाँ से मैंने बीएससी अपनी कंप्लीट करी है. सो मैं प्लान कर रहा था लाइक डूइंग मास्टर्स फ्रॉम अब्रॉड, कि मतलब थोड़ा बेटर एक्सपोजर मिले, बट मेरे को ये नहीं समझ में आ रहा कि मतलब इज इट अ गुड डिसीजन और नॉट डूइंग मास्टर्स.
Okay, can I take it?
Sure. Go for it.
Okay. Kaustubh, are you from a well-to-do family?
not a very good well-to-do family.
Okay, good.
मतलब father government profession में है. That's all.
Okay, good. What countries did you research for going and studying?
European countries, like because there are मतलब यूनिवर्सिटी जिनकी फीस बहुत या तो कम होती है या तो फ्री होता है वो पब्लिक यूनिवर्सिटीज वहाँ की.
जैसे जर्मनी हो गया या फिर
Yes, sir.
लक्समबर्ग हो गया या लिechtenstein हो गया.
नहीं सर, एक्चुअली जर्मनी या लग्जमबर्ग वगैरह नहीं, नॉर्दर्न कंट्रीज ऑफ यूरोप, लाइक वहाँ पे थोड़ा मतलब जैसे स्वीडन, नीदरलैंड्स और अदर मतलब जैसे फिनलैंड, डेनमार्क, नॉर्वे, क्योंकि वहाँ पे कंपटीशन थोड़ा कम रहेगा मेरे लिए.
हाँ, मगर वहाँ लैंग्वेज का प्रॉब्लम में वाट लग जाएगी तुम्हारी. जर्मनी में ही वाट लगेगी, स्वीडन तो भूल ही जाओ. ठीक है. नंबर 2, वेयर डू यू लिव कौस्तुभ?
सर उड़ीसा करके.
वेयर?
उड़ीसा.
हाँ, उड़ीसा में 20-30 डिग्री मिनिमम होता है. स्वीडन, नॉर्वे में -20 मिनिमम होता है. वाट लग
सर
जाएगी.
उसकी दिक्कत नहीं, वो तो सर फिर भी एक टाइम को मैनेज हो जाएगा, बट मेन द थिंग इज कि अभी 2 साल मेरे को 3 साल उस पे इन्वेस्ट करना चाहिए कि नहीं. द क्वेश्चन
My
इज दैट कि
suggestion is the market is so tight कि यूरोपियन यूनियन लोगों को ही जॉब. रिमेंबर, apart from UK, everything in Europe is part of European Union. Yeah. Tomorrow, if a German wants to work in Sweden, he can take his passport and go and start working. Because within the European Union, you get a European Union passport. You can literally, if for example, if you're a German national with a German passport, and tomorrow you apply for a job in Netherlands and they match the skill, they don't need visa, nothing. Literally next day they can start. And European Union and or countries like that, they have some very strict rules around immigration. For example, if you're semi-skilled, getting a new work permit is almost impossible. They have to pay you salaries above the normal, what you call this, what we call exceptional skill visa or whatever it may be. Even if you're educated there is no guarantee that you will get permanent residency. And especially countries like Italy or other countries are making even worse. So my suggestion is, and remember, these countries are okay, less initially, but after you get a job, getting these are like countries are bloody expensive when it comes to cost of living, unless you are their citizens. Because once you become a citizen, most of the things are free. So till you get that, and what is the guarantee that you will get it? No guarantee. So my suggestion would be, if you have done your bachelor's, are you good at studies though? That's my question. Be honest with me.
Sir, above average, not very good.
Above average. My suggestion is don't go to Europe. Please don't go. You will suffer. Trust me, my average in computer science in my bachelor's and master's in India was 97-95%. Yeah? When I came here to join a course, it was too tough for me. Because our way of thinking is getting marks. Here, marks is not the problem. It's a totally different thing. And also, expenses and all those things will matter a lot. So my suggestion is don't overthink. If you want to do your masters, do in India. Yeah? And do the things. See, there is one guy saying, I'm in UK, yes, don't come. I'm resident here and the market is really tight.
Yeah.
One person is saying nothing is guaranteed. Let the bird dream and fly. He will learn the hard lesson. Don't do that. No, that's a very bad advice. Don't do that. No. Please don't. Kaustubh, don't. It's not worth it. इंडिया में chances मिल जाएंगे यार, थोड़ा try करो. ठीक है?
ठीक है कौस्तुभ?
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
अब प्रोग्रामिंग को बुला ले यार, बहुत देर से वेट कर रहा है.
Programming. बोलिए
बोलिए।
प्रोग्रामिंग।
हेलो।
हाँ
हेलो।
जी बोलिए।
हेलो सर, माई सेल्फ विकास कुमार दुबे। सर मेरा मास्टर्स 2025 में कंप्लीट हुआ और अभी मैं थोड़ा दिन पहले किसी कंपनी में काम करता था, वो नॉन टेक कंपनी थी और वहाँ पे काम करके ऐसा लगा कि मैं कुछ सीख नहीं पा रहा हूँ, तो मैंने वो काम छोड़ दिया और मैं यहाँ बेंगलोर में आ गया। तो बेंगलोर में आए हुए हमको 3 महीना हो गया। 3 महीना से आगे मैं जॉब हंट कर रहा हूँ और स्टार्टअप कुछ थोड़ी कंपनी में दिया इंटरव्यू, उसके बाद मैं ऑनलाइन जॉब पोर्टल्स के थ्रू अप्लाई कर रहा था, तो कोई रिस्पॉन्स वगैरह नहीं आ रहा था। और आज मेरे एक दोस्त से बात हुई, वो बता रहा था कि कंपनीज तो हायरिंग कर रही हैं। तो मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि ऐसी कंपनीज को लोकेट कैसे किया जाए जो हायरिंग कर रही हैं? समझ में नहीं आता कि ऐसी कंपनी के पास कैसे पहुंचा जाए।
आप कितनी देर से ये लाइव देख रहे हो?
ये लाइन
ये लाइव कब से देख रहे हो? पिछले आधे घंटे से हो?
सर स्टार्टिंग, हाँ यस सर, अभी बस।
आंसर मिल गया आपको इस क्वेश्चन का कि अभी नहीं मिला?
नहीं मिला सर।
सर आप ऐसा करो, इस वीडियो जब ये लाइव हो जाएगा ना, उसको पहले से देखो, क्योंकि आप अभी आए हो, पहले से देखो, ठीक है? और सविंदर सर का एक यूट्यूब चैनल है, उसमें कैसे नेटवर्किंग करते हैं वो जाके देखो, ठीक है? जब तक वो नहीं समझोगे ना, आपको तकलीफ होने वाली है। और मेरा ये कहना है कि घर में बैठ के अगर आप ऑनलाइन में जाके सब कुछ करना चाहोगे ना, ये इंडिया है, वेस्टर्न कंट्री नहीं है, यहाँ जाके जुगाड़ करना पड़ता है, ठीक है? इसके लिए आपको देयर इज अ सेइंग, बिग क्या बोलते हैं, बोरो समथिंग बोलते हैं ना। हाँ, डोंट स्टील ऑब्वियसली, बोरो if needed, beg, but only to a certain level. Don't beg for a job, beg for a contact and जाके प्रूव करो, ठीक है? और थोड़ा हंसो यार, आप इतना सीरियस मत हुआ करो, थोड़ा हंस लो यार, इतना सीरियस होने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है जिंदगी में, ठीक है? थोड़ा हंस लो, खेलो, कॉन्फिडेंस दिखाओ। और कम्युनिकेशन स्किल कैसा है, इंग्लिश में ही बात करो, टॉक इन इंग्लिश। All this, your technical skills matter, but your communication, your aura, and all these things also matter. Without that, it will become, for example, if you apply and if your LinkedIn photo looks like that, तुमको कोई देखेगा भी नहीं। आप अभी जाके मेरा LinkedIn देखोगे ना, उसमें 10 साल पुराना फोटो है जिसमें मैं एकदम परफेक्ट स्मार्ट दिखता हूँ, प्रोफेशनल फोटो। ऐसा फोटो जाके डालूंगा तो कोई नहीं बुलाएगा मुझे, चल बक साले बोल देंगे। So you have to become professional and contact people and go into meetups. Free meetups बहुत सारे होते हैं यार, जाके ढूंढो ना, तुम वैसे ही घर में अंडे ही दे रहे हो, जाके करो,
ठीक है?
ठीक है?
ओके
चलो बाय।
ओके,
current one is the last one in the thing. Yeah, go ahead.
हेलो सर मैं बहुत ही स्वागत कर रहा हूँ और विश्वकर्मा आपका सा टाइम सर। आई हैव टू क्वेश्चंस। आवाज आ रही है सर मेरी?
अच्छा फोटो है ना, उतना बकवास सेटअप है।
आई एम रियली सॉरी सर, मैं फटाफट से चेंज करता हूँ। ये मेरा लैपटॉप का कनेक्ट है, मैं इस पे कनेक्ट करता हूँ। जस्ट गिव मी 1 सेकंड। आई एम रियली सॉरी फॉर दैट।
ना अभी ठीक है, बात करो,
ठीक है,
कैमरा की तरफ देखो, कैमरा की तरफ देखो, इधर देखो, इस तरफ। हाँ हाँ, अभी
अब
बोलो।
ठीक है सर?
हाँ हाँ, अभी
एक्चुअली
ठीक है,
दो विंडोज, ठीक है सर। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल
मेरे पास मैक है, विंडोज नहीं है।
मैं बोलूं सर?
हाँ बोलो।
सर मैं बहुत देर से वेट कर रहा था एंड मैंने 2 क्वेश्चंस हैं मेरे माइंड में, जो कि फर्स्ट ये है, पहले मैं अपने बारे में आपको बता देता हूँ। सर मैंने अभी अपनी बीसीए कंप्लीट करी है पिछले साल ही इग्नू से, एंड अभी मैं मास्टर्स कर रहा हूँ कंप्यूटर एप्लीकेशंस में, एंड उसके साथ साथ में मैं सर एज अ रिएक्ट नेटिव डेवलपर वर्क कर रहा हूँ टेकवेदा नाम की कंपनी के लिए। द थिंग इज सर, जब भी मैं किसी भी कंपनी में अप्लाई करता हूँ, अभी रिसेंट में ये हो रहा है कि मोस्ट ऑफ द चीज़ें जो एज अ इंटर्न वर्क करता था वो अब एआई लेके जा रहा है, और उसके साथ में बाकी चीज़ें ऐसी हो रही है जहाँ पे मैं अप्लाई करता हूँ वहाँ पे मेरे से एक्चुअल डॉक्यूमेंट्स जाते हैं, लाइक अगर मेरी 12th की मार्कशीट है, 10th की मार्कशीट, तो वो उसको ओरिजिनल डॉक्यूमेंट में से मांगा जाएगा इन हार्ड कॉपी की, वो आप आके पहले सबमिट करो, देन उसके बाद कुछ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स दे देंगे, इसको साइन करो, और फिर 2 साल का कुछ ऐसा एग्रीमेंट दे देंगे। तो ये मैं बहुत सारा देख रहा हूँ। तो क्या ये चीजें हमें एक्चुअल में हमें अपना प्रोवाइड करना चाहिए, नहीं करना चाहिए? और उसके साथ में सर एआई आ चुका है, तो हम उसके साथ में कैसे कॉप करें ताकि हम जब इंटर्नशिप करने जाए तो हमें वहां से हटा ना दिया जाए? मुझे ये जानना था सर। मतलब 2-3 क्वेश्चन है जो मैंने मिक्स कर दिया,
ओके,
वेरी सॉरी।
एक है कि
जी
कभी
सर,
हार्ड
जी।
कॉपी नहीं देने का, उल्टा भी खड़े हो जाओ, उनको बोलो मैं आगे दिखाऊंगा, उसका तुम फोटो कॉपी लेके इमीडिएटली मुझे वापस कर दोगे, क्योंकि वो इलीगल है, ठीक है? और अकॉर्डिंग टू इंडियन लेबर, आई डोंट नो इंडियन लेबर लॉ फुल्ली, बट एनीथिंग टू डू विद दिस वन इज नॉन नेगोशिएबल, नो। और ऐसा कंपनी जो करती है वहां काम करने से अच्छा मत ही करो। और नंबर 2,
ठीक है सर।
अगर बॉन्ड लिखवाते हैं तो लिखने दो और जॉब कर लो, और जॉब जब मिल गया तो बोलो ये लीगली एप्लीकेबल नहीं है, मैं छोड़ के जा रहा हूँ, जो करना है कर लो। जो
ठीक है।
बॉन्ड लिखते हो ना आजकल, वो लिख लो, ज्वाइन कर लो, पैसा मिल रहा है मिलने दो, एक्सपीरियंस लो,
यस
और
सर।
जब दूसरा जॉब मिल जाएगा उसको बोलो कि ये बॉन्ड लीगली नहीं है, तुमने द ओनली वे दे कैन मेक इट लीगल टू पे मेक यू पे इज they have to prove that they have spent a lot of money on your training, and if they show you the receipts, you say I'll be give you back this result, give me the bond back, और उससे ज्यादा कुछ नहीं उखाड़ सकते वो तुम्हारा।
ओके।
That's the go and read the Indian labor laws please।
ओके। एंड
ठीक है,
एक जी सर, और एक और चीज भी थी सर, मैं पूछूं?
I have got only 3 minutes before I go out, so please be quick।
ओके ओके, यस सर। सर बस वो एक एआई का ही था कि एआई के साथ हम कैसे कॉप करें, ताकि जो अभी हम एज ए इंटर्न अगर वर्क करें तो उसमें कैसे कॉप करें,
नौकरी
कि
ले ले भाई,
कंपनीज
वो
तो वो
सब
हटा
छोड़,
देती हैं।
नौकरी ले, वो
जी
सब
सर।
छोड़ दे, एआई
हाँ,
से बात
नौकरी ले, बाद में देखेंगे एआई के बारे में,
कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता।
ठीक ठीक है सर।
ओके, प्रियांशु गो अहेड।
या 3
Hello,
मिनट
sir. Thanks
हाँ
for
जी,
having me here.
बोल बोल
Before
फटाफट।
start, so मैं लाइक वेब डेवलपमेंट सीख रहा था पिछले 2 साल से, एंड 1 साल में मैंने इंटर्नशिप्स और फ्रीलैंसिंग भी की है। बट अभी क्या सीन है, मेरे को ना तो कोई फ्रीलांस क्लाइंट मिलता, ना मैं और इंटर्नशिप्स के लिए अप्लाई करता हूँ, उधर से भी कोई रिस्पॉन्स आता नहीं मैक्स टू मैक्स। एंड तो अभी मैं सोच रहा था कि मेरे को लाइक एआई वगैरह सीखना चाहिए या मेरे को इसमें कंटिन्यू रखना चाहिए,
प्रियांशु
या फिर ड्रॉप।
लाइव में यार, ये तो आंसर मिल गया होगा अब तक, सेम ही
मतलब
सवाल 10 बार रिप्लाई कर चुके हैं यार।
स्किल्स का कोई ऐसा, मैं वेब डेव में काफी सही हूँ,
तो उसी
तो
को
मेरे को यही,
रखना है।
बट फिर इसमें मेरे को कोई अपॉर्चुनिटीज भी नहीं दिखती, या फिर मैं ड्रॉप लूं और कॉलेज के लिए कोई अच्छे से वो करूं।
नहीं,
ड्रॉप
ड्रॉप
मत लूं मैं।
नहीं,
ड्रॉप के मतलब नहीं, अभी दोबारा कॉलेज क्या करना है यार, अभी एक बार आगे एक नौकरी।
दोबारा नहीं, अभी मैंने 12th किया है।
वो है
क्या?
लाइक अभी 12th की है, बट अभी कॉलेज का कुछ पता नहीं चल रहा, क्योंकि मैं इतना अच्छा नहीं हूँ स्टडीज में, तो कॉलेज आई गेस इस साल तो नहीं मिलेगा।
ओके, आई कैन नॉट रिप्लाई टू दिस वन, नो।
क्या चाहता है प्रियांशु, क्या करना चाहता है अभी 12th के बाद? क्या सीधा नासा जाना है?
सो यही मैं कंफ्यूज हूँ कि मैं करूँ क्या, लाइक
12th के बाद कॉलेज कर, और क्या करना है?
बट कॉलेज ऑप्शन में नहीं है ना, लाइक अभी मैं इतना अच्छा नहीं हूँ स्टडीज में, और गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज तो मिलने से रहा,
जो मिलता है कर ले, ग्रेजुएशन तो करनी पड़ेगी, ऑप्शन नहीं है कोई।
और प्राइवेट का कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है अभी।
ग्रेजुएशन तो करनी पड़ेगी, उसके बिना इंडिया में कुछ नहीं होने वाला, अनलेस तुम इतने अच्छे हो कि तुम्हें डायरेक्टली कोई स्टार्टअप उठा ले। अदरवाइज ग्रेजुएशन करनी पड़ेगी भाई, कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है।
ऑप्शन नहीं है।
ओके, स्किल्स तो काफी सही है।
अबे क्या स्किल यार, 12वीं में है तू, क्या स्किल यार, क्या बात।
रिएक्ट नेटिव भी आता है, यूआई यूएक्स, वेब डेवलपमेंट।
अच्छा, तो तुम टेलविंड क्यों नहीं बनाते खुद का?
टेलविंड मैंने सोचा था, मैं काफी फ्रस्ट्रेट हो गया था, बट अभी अच्छा लगता है टेलविंड, तो
नहीं,
यूज
खुद का
कर लेता
टेलविंड
हूँ।
बनाओ, जैसे वो फ्रेमवर्क है ना, खुद बना। तुम बोल रहे हो तुम नेटिव में अच्छे हो, वो सब अच्छे हो, एक अच्छा फ्रेमवर्क
हाँ
बनाओ, और जैसे वो ओपन क्लॉ ने जैसे बनाया था वैसा कुछ बनाओ, फेमस हो जाओगे, जॉब लग जाएगा तुम्हारा।
Okay, guys. I think we are done.
I think we are done.
ओके,
Yeah.
थैंक्स फॉर द
Thank you.
ओपिनियन।
12वीं क्लास के बच्चे आ रहे हैं यार, क्या चल क्या रहा आजकल,
हाँ ठीक है,
समझ में नहीं आ रही।
ओके, स्टॉप नहीं किया अभी तक, तू स्टॉप कर लेगा। नहीं
हाँ,
किया।
स्टॉप कर देता हूँ मैं। ओके,
हाँ,
थैंक यू गाइस,
ओके, बाय। माय